तो अब घोड़ों की रेस में गधे भी दौड़ेंगे।
किसने किससे कहा? सादा खिलाड़ी, खिलाड़ी मसाला,
खिलाड़ी यार।
बटर सादा खिलाड़ी,
double egg, double खिलाड़ी.
Sometimes the obvious ones also can be the answer.
Are you helping? Are you doing what Amitabh does? It's like, hey, which is the first alphabet? A, B, B, and he's like,
आपको
50-50.
यार आपको देखते ही मैं
Wow.
जल्द मछली बन जाता हूँ यार।
Wow.
Wow, यार। Wow.
Wow.
Show me anything.
Is it levitating by Dua Lipa?
Wow, why not?
You should have put like some RTX dialogue. This
Hang
is
on.
the easiest meme
Don't-
dialogue. Where the hell do you think you're going, son? Going
Hey,
with
lucky.
my friends for a
Yeah.
drink, dad.
हुस्न तेरा तौबा 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 टुरुरुरुरुरुरु। हुस्न तेरा तौबा तौबा। Okay, right.
What was the first?
Yeah, now give me a dialogue from the movie हम आपके हैं कौन, guys?
A dialogue. Yeah, okay, when the dog goes, ow, ow.
Hello and welcome to another awesome episode of That Filmy Game Show, the show where through Bollywood acumen and knowledge we find out who amongst us is the biggest Bollywood Badshah or Begum. Joining me on the show today are two very funny stand-up comedians. They are podcasters of a brand new show that I'm producing called Crickheads. Please check that out. First up, we have Shamik Chakraborty.
Hey, thank you. Tauba, Tauba. Just for the algorithm. Anyone who does this gets viral right now. This is my second time on this show and I lost by a huge margin last time. I just want to lose by a smaller
Bro,
margin.
I think it's your third time on the show.
Oh, I don't even count the first time. I lost by such a big margin. That
एक टाइम
doesn't
किसके?
count.
एक टाइम तो साथ में थे.
तेरे साथ.
उसके
और
पहले.
एक देवांशी के साथ.
Devanshi ke sath. And
Oh.
you can't beat her. She
Yeah,
just,
these
she
people
has
have
one.
no other personality actually.
Yeah.
Except
Can't
Bollywood.
deny, yes.
And that's the voice of Siddharth Dudeja.
Yeah. Yes, मैं अभी on the way बारिश Bollywood song सुन के आया हूँ.
Oh, okay. So,
Yes.
तो वो round delete कर देना if there's a round like
बारिश
that.
Bollywood. I hope
If
there
only
is a
that was the question today.
coming
Oh,
from.
that-
This feels
let's-
like an IAS
flip it
exam.
around.
कहीं से भी आ सकता है. कहाँ से भी.
Let's
So
see how
पूरी
many
मेहनत
बारिश
करनी.
songs can you say right now off the top of your head?
The first one only I heard फिर ये मिल गया. जो
one
हाल
song.
दिल का
You heard
इधर
one
हो
बारिश
रहा
song.
है.
हाँ, that's the one.
But no, so it was just बारिश playlist. I played it.
बारिश
thinking
playlist.
it
And you
would
got to
be-
one.
Huh?
Oh, we only got to one. That's
Yeah,
fine.
only
That's
one
fine.
song.
Yeah,
Jo
yeah.
Hal Dil Ka was the first song on YouTube.
Dung, 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 dung.
Yeah.
Do-
Good riff, yeah.
Yeah,
Good riff
great.
in the
Yeah.
beginning.
Great. Welcome, guys. Welcome to the show. You will notice we have a little bit of an audience.
Yes.
And there is
We
one
clap for them.
one mega fan of Crickheads, the podcast that again I'm producing.
He's saying
They are
no,
hosting.
by the way.
He's
Just
saying
the
no.
moment you said, he's like,
Oh,
please.
He's like,
it's-
no,
see,
fan.
he doesn't know it yet, guys.
Yeah.
He is a mega fan.
Yeah.
What does he know, man?
By default. You're
Yeah,
a
yeah.
fan, you're a mega
You are
fan.
You
the
don't have a
one and
mic.
only fan we have also.
First.
Yes, great. Welcome, guys.
Yes.
What is your favorite sports Bollywood film in history? Since you are sports podcasters.
Oh, that's
Chain
a
Kuli
great
ki main Kuli. The one where the child, is it the one where the child gets that magic bat?
Magic
Sunil
bat, yes.
Gavaskar bat.
And
Yes.
does he do the अच्छा मेरी विकेट गई मैं घर जा रहा हूँ बैट लेके
नहीं उसकी विकेट जा ही नहीं सकती.
Oh,
He
that's
gets the
the
magic bat.
Oh, genius,
It
dude.
was like my childhood dream to get that bat. Like,
Oh,
well,
oh,
so
I
as a
think
child-
mine is Jo Jeeta Wahi Sikandar.
Okay, that's a
the
great
movie
one.
on which,
Cliche.
No, the movie on which Tour de France is based, I heard. Yeah, that's where they got the idea.
Ratan got performance enhancers. That is
There
what
is
happened.
are you guys Andy Samberg fans by any chance?
Sure, yeah.
Brooklyn
थोड़ा
Nine-Nine,
बहुत.
yeah? Sure.
मैंने प्यार क्यों किया?
That's not Andy Samberg. What?
Yeah, he has made a. There is a English. No, that was Andy Samberg. There's
The
a-
Brooklyn Nine-Nine guy.
No,
Andy
no.
Samberg.
Acha, Andy. Oh fuck! Sorry.
Who are you thinking?
I was thinking of Adam Sandler for
Oh,
some
Adam
reason.
Sandler.
Okay, Andy
सारे-
Samberg.
yeah,
उसके लिए
yeah.
सारे
Fair
जूश
enough.
लोग इसे
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, that is yeah. That's
मैंने कुछ नहीं बोला guys.
Yeah, that's the one. That's a movie with Jennifer
इसका घर का
Aniston.
एड्रेस देता हूँ कहाँ पे भेजना है IDFC को IDFC बोला IDF को मैं सब fuck कर रहा हूँ आज
IDFC first.
Man, never getting IDFC First Bank sponsor on this show.
IDFC First Bank Crickets please sponsor कर दो क्रिकेट टूर्नामेंट तो कर ही रहे हैं
IDFC Naveen Naruna was on the show and he recently came up with a great full form for IDFC the bank, which is I don't fucking care.
I was just going to say.
Great,
Right.
dude. That is fucking just spot on.
I don't fucking care First Bank.
First bank, dude. I don't fucking care. You
And,
first bank first.
And HDFC's he don't fucking care.
Himanshu is someone named
Yeah.
Himanshu.
Harish don't fucking care. But
All right. Welcome, guys. What is the most recent Bollywood film you guys have seen?
You know, I was just thinking of this on the way, and I couldn't think of one.
This is
Which is
all
a
day
very-
he's been toiling with this.
All
What
day-
was the last movie
All
I
day
saw?
I couldn't
damn
think
it?
of the most recent Bollywood movie I watched, but I have watched.
Okay.
Can you answer first?
I saw. I don't know if this comes in Bollywood category, but I saw Kill.
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
Bollywood.
What do you
it's
mean?
Bollywood.
Great. कैसी लगी?
Like Bollywood people would like. I really liked it. It
I
was
fucking
like
loved
a 25-minute premise and then
And
75-minute
fucking,
action.
Yeah, that's exactly.
And like I thought कि ये boring हो जाएगा at some point, but I didn't know इतने तरीके हो सकते हैं इंसान के मरने के.
yeah, that's true. Dude,
That
you know
was-
how relatable that movie is in a way. I feel
How?
like all of us have traveled in trains all
Yes.
our lives, right?
Yeah.
So everything in a train can fucking hurt you so badly and you
Yes.
know it.
Yeah, there's so much
subconsciously.
steel around,
Yeah,
yeah.
everything is steel. Those fucking beds, those railings, handrails, fucking that commode, whatever you want, dude.
बस खाने से नहीं मारा वो उसमें.
the real
The real killer
Yeah,
in
yeah,
trains.
yeah. Water also. That water
Yeah.
in a theli. which
Yeah.
is- you tell it. You
वही
tear
वाला
it with
रह
your
गया
teeth
था.
and you taste the plastic the whole
It
time.
would be great ना तुम वो
Yeah.
गैंगस्टर लोग को खिला रहे हो. कल
खाना.
देखना तुम कैसे मरोगे. अभी
Sure.
मुझे चाकू मार दो बट कल सुबह.
My most recent Bollywood movie
Yes.
I watched was Monica, Oh My Darling. So
That
that
was
tells you
3
something.
years, 4 years back.
Was
dude.
that 4 years back?
Something like that?
It was
That was
last
It was
time.
said
pandemic
2
time. right?
years at least.
It was
2 years
last
back.
year, right?
No, it wasn't.
Yeah,
तूने
definitely
last year
more than-
देखा होगा.
Ah, my bad.
So-
Excellent movie, but still like quite.
Yeah, it's been a
So
while.
why I didn't say Kill is not Bollywood, because would Bollywood accept a movie like Kill to be
I
their
mean,
own?
see, Dharma is producing it.
That's-
Dharma's bought it, yeah.
Yeah, bought it.
Yeah.
And then Sikya is producing it, whatever.
Yeah, and they're not
I
making
think it's
money.
fair enough.
It's Bollywood.
Okay.
It is Bollywood.
all
And
Bollywood.
Tanya Maniktala is there, who's been on a previous version of the show that
Oh,
I used to
yeah?
do. Yeah, yeah. The actress who
the
dies.
Actress, okay.
Spoiler alert, I guess. Whatever.
इसको बोल दिया
Man,
तूने.
you can't make fun of any movies on this because
Yeah.
I know them somehow indirectly.
Hey, no, I don't care. Amitabh Bachchan sucks. I don't Cut that out.
But
Everyone is awesome.
the villain was very nice in that movie. The thin guy.
Juyal.
Juyal.
Raghav. Juyal. देखी किसी ने kill देखी?
He
Nobody
was
saw
too
Kill.
good. Like, because I was hating him throughout, but then he was also making you laugh. I was
Yeah,
like,
that's
shit,
true.
I don't want to hate
इतनी
him.
इतनी बेहरामी से कौन मारता है?
Yeah.
Is it on OTT?
No, not yet. Not
It
yet.
will
But
come
it will be soon. Yeah.
But I don't think I can watch 80 minutes continuous action at home. Like, you need a theater for that.
Ulta, I think it's easier to watch at home.
Yeah?
I mean, so I too love action, so I can watch it anywhere.
Okay.
But I imagine like if it gets too much, you can just take a break and then come back the next
fair
day and all,
enough.
right?
Yeah.
I imagine. Anyway, okay, how much would you rate Kill? Out of 10?
Kill 8 on 10.
8 on 10. Oh, 8
Wow,
on 10.
that's it's rated like 9 on IMDb.
Yeah. And how
right?
much would you rate Monica, Oh My Darling?
Oh,
nine and a half.
no.
Yeah, I
Seven.
love that movie.
Yeah.
So,
Eco-shell.
guys,
Oh, yeah.
I'm just getting you guys ready. Okay.
Yes.
Part of the show is that so you'll be playing games
Yes.
based on Bollywood films and Bollywood songs.
Yeah.
If at any point one of you does not get 3 consecutive answers in the episode, at any point,
Okay.
there's a Bollywood themed punishment.
What?
And one of the punishments for sure I'm gonna do today.
Malab, you don't get 3 answers back to
Back
back,
to
or
back.
you are
No,
say
back to
कि I
back.
know the answer and then acha.
Back to back, if you don't,
Okay.
if you're not able to answer
Oh shit.
Okay.
or get points for 3
Okay.
consecutive answers.
So you'll humiliate us more.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's a Bollywood themed punishment. And it's gonna be, one of them is definitely gonna be the Tauba Tawa step that you have to do on the stage. So
भाई,
be
मेरे को-
prepared
मेरे को देखना
to the
पड़ेगा
best of
एक
your
बार.
ability.
Oh,
no,
shit.
to the best, in your memories, dude. There's no
Yeah,
looking
yeah,
up.
don't
I
worry.
can't put that up on screen and shit. dude.
यही था
I'll
ना?
just-
ऐसे कुछ ही था ना?
नहीं.
Don't
That
worry.
step, bro. ऐसे तो कोई भी कर ले. पागल
ये
है क्या?
step कौन करेगा, dude? Are you
अरे,
crazy, dude?
Do the best to the best of your ability in any way.
You don't
Okay.
have to do it. Don't worry. It's
अरे, ये
it's gonna
कुछ-
be me every time.
Let's go. The
So-
first game we're going to be playing is also one of our newest games.
Okay.
It is called Whose Line Was It Anyway? Whose line was it anyway? There's no, I'm not copying. I mean, I am. But it's homage. It's homage to one of the
Yeah.
greatest shows in history.
Yeah.
किसने किससे कहा?
किसने
Yeah.
कब
ये-
कहा और
किसने
कहा?
कब कहा और किससे?
Yeah.
Okay. Whose line was it anyway? Basically, how this works is I will recite a dialogue from a very popular mainstream film.
Yes.
You guys have to tell me which actor said it and in which movie. There will be options, and both of you will get a chance to go at it. This is
So-
not a buzzer based or anything like that.
Okay. फिर ठीक
Okay,
है.
so the first question can start with Shamik and,
Okay.
and then go on to Drew.
Okay.
And if you guys don't get it, I'll give you guys a hint. If you don't get it, even after the hint, it goes to the audience.
Cool.
I'm just saying from 1997 till 2013 maybe.
Okay.
उतना पता है मेरे को.
1997 to 2013.
Yeah.
I think a lot of the movies are within that.
Yeah.
So you should be
95,
fine.
93 भी थोड़ा बहुत पता है, but like Mohra, I don't remember the whole movie now. But,
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
What specific movie?
Let me tell you,
Mora.
Mora's not on this episode,
Okay,
so you're
बच
safe.
गए, बच गए. Okay.
Best.
Have you seen Mora, by the way?
I have.
Yeah, I
Nasiruddin
used
Shah
to-
अंधा बनने का एक्टिंग करता है ना उसमें.
Yeah, correct.
Mora is the Akshay Kumar movie, right?
Akshay
तू
Kumar
चीज
and
बड़ी है
Sunil
मस्त
Shetty.
मस्त भाई.
Dude, I
Yeah,
used to.
Best
She's very must
choreography in that year.
I was
Filmfare.
crazy
Yeah.
about Akshay Kumar until he made movies which people started watching. Like when he was shit.
When he was Khiladi.
All
Dude,
yeah, all
the
the
Khiladi
action
films,
movies.
I love.
All his movies, all you heard was
Yeah.
that was the main
Yeah, that's
dialogue.
true.
He's just
Yeah.
hitting
Yeah.
people.
But he was the
वो भी
only
आने
one.
वाला है. Whose line was
Yeah.
it?
He was the only one who was actually doing proper action back in the 90s also, dude. And
Yeah.
nobody else was doing that.
Dush Dush will come, but the movie will be which is that one with Undertaker.
खिलाड़ियों का खिलाड़ी.
खिलाड़ियों का खिलाड़ी.
Oh man,
And then
I
you have
hope
to
you
देखा.
don't have one of those खिलाड़ी questions,
correct.
Antrix, where we are guessing सबसे बड़ा खिलाड़ी. No, close.
Then normal खिलाड़ी.
Mr. and
International
Mrs.
खिलाड़ी.
सादा खिलाड़ी, खिलाड़ी मसाला,
खिलाड़ी
Yeah.
खिलाड़ी यार.
बटर सादा खिलाड़ी.
double egg, double खिलाड़ी.
All right, let's go, guys.
Yes.
Okay.
So the first question will start with Shamik. The
Okay.
second question will then start
Okay.
with Siddharth
Movie
then
and
Mohan.
actor.
You'll see.
वो
what-
देख
how it
लेना
goes.
बोल दे.
Okay.
Hmm.
Also, every time. Okay, probably again cut this out. Every time the audience gets an answer, they get some melodies thrown at them.
Oh.
So don't get an answer right, I guess, if you don't want melodies. But basically, whoever catches it gets to enjoy it.
Wow, dude.
How is this a victory for the audience?
That's
Antrix
what I'm saying. If you don't want it, don't
इसका
answer.
7 audience आगे, this guy is drunk on power already. It's like, here you go, masses. Now they're going to feed him grapes
That's how you do it,
afterwards.
man.
Like a Roman emperor.
All right, let's go.
Yes.
Question number 1, starting with Shamik,
Yes.
is whose line was this anyway? And in
अबे
which movie?
खत्म, मेरे को
So
पता
अब
है.
घोड़ों की रेस में गधे भी दौड़ेंगे. Is
हाँ.
it A. Saif Ali Khan in race 2?
Yeah.
B. Paul Blackthorne in Lagan,
Who
which
was
is
he?
the white dude.
अबे,
3
there
गुना
was-
लगान गए.
Okay.
3 गुना was Captain Russell. अच्छा real name डाला है इसमें.
That's the
Real
actor's
name,
name.
real
Is
name,
Paul
yeah,
Blackthorne,
yeah.
but Captain Russell, yes,
Yeah.
and Lagan.
Yeah.
Siddharth Malhotra in Student of the Year, and Anil
Okay.
Kapoor in Welcome. Shamik.
Yeah. I'm gonna go with. I mean, I feel like A is very obvious, and you've just thrown that in
And
there.
sometimes the obvious ones also can be the answer.
Are you helping? Are you doing what Amitabh does? Very
Yeah, no,
helps
not
the
really.
guy who's gonna fuck up at the 1,000 rupee question. It's like, hey, which is the first alphabet? A, B, B, and he's like,
आपको
50-50,
इतना नहीं
please. I don't fucking know. I'm gonna go with Anil Kapoor. Welcome.
Okay, Anil Kapoor, welcome.
अनिल कपूर वेलकम ऑफ
अनिल कपूर
कोर्स. ये
welcome.
मैं नींद में हर एक डायलॉग बोल
So
सकता
I'm
हूँ.
right.
Okay, cool.
RDX का फुल फॉर्म भी पता है मुझे.
बोल.
रतन धनराज जाका.
Yes, that's true. All right,
Am I right?
audience.
Dhanraj I think was the middle name.
Yeah, I think you're right.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, audience. Okay, select one person to answer all the questions for you guys. Whoever you want to select. Ashwin, because I know your name, is the person.
उनका भी तो पता
What do
है.
you think, Ashwin? D. Okay, D. Yes, everyone
It
is
is.
right. It is, in fact, welcome, Anil
Yeah.
Kapoor. Very cool, very cool.
Finally,
Enough.
off the
So
mark.
5 points, everyone. Why not?
You should have put like some RDX dialogue. This
Hang
is
on.
the easiest meme
So
dialogue.
It starts
Okay.
easy,
He also
guys,
gets
relax.
points for that.
Yeah, everyone gets points.
Yeah.
I thought it's the first person who
No,
answers.
no. Everyone gets
RDX.
points.
Hey, Lucky, where the hell do you think you're going, son? Going
Hey,
with
Lucky.
my friends for a
Yeah.
drink, Dad.
Yeah.
There's
Chill,
a party
Dad.
on tonight. I hate your blowing parties, Dad. Just cut it.
Insane.
He is half mad. आधा नहीं पूरा पागल है, sir. Send car with him.
I think you'll get a copyright strike. I said so many lines that Welcome will put a copyright
मैं
strike.
बहुत
on
वो
you.
मूवी बहुत बाहर देख चुका
Hey,
हूँ.
please, if you have
It's
more
my
questions
guilty.
from Welcome, cut it out right now.
It's cheating at this
Fucking
point.
guy. Yeah.
All right. So next question will start with Dudu.
Okay.
लव मैरिज में आदमी खुद अपनी मर्जी से कुएं के अंदर जाता है. अरेंज मैरिज में आदमी का पूरा खानदान उसको कुएं में के अंदर ढकेल देता है, लेकिन जाता तो कुएं में ही है. इज इट ए रितेश देशमुख इन मस्ती, बी गोविंदा इन पार्टनर, सी अनिल कपूर इन जुग जुग जियो, और डी SRK इन कभी अलविदा ना कहना?
Okay, so I will do elimination. I don't think it's Kabhi Alvida Na Kehna. I don't think it was in Partner also.
All right.
So I am confused between Anil Kapoor and Ritesh Deshmukh. Because दोनों मूवी मैंने जुग जुग जियो देखी नहीं है, but I know the premise of the movie is that parents and child both are divorcing.
Both are,
ऐसे-
yeah, correct. Yes, right.
And Ritesh Deshmukh Masti में also it's possible because Like that's a full.
That's the movie.
That's the movie. Yeah, that's the whole
Yeah, that's the
trilogy
whole-
or whatever.
Yeah.
Trilogy in 5 parts. Fuck man, this is damn confusing now.
This is like
between the two.
when you don't know the answer to a question, so you just write a paragraph and step marks मिल जाएंगे. नहीं मिलेंगे भाई answer.
I get a lot of hate for this, by
Yes,
the way,
sure.
on quizzing with the comedians.
Sure,
Okay.
sure. So again, if you guys can tell, this is by design. In the sense,
Yeah, they're all-
I've chosen a dialogue and then thought
It
of
could fit
movies
in
where it
many
would
Where it
kind of
could
fit.
fit,
Yeah,
yeah.
Yeah. So go ahead, Dudu.
I will go with Masti.
Going with Masti, Ritesh
Yeah.
Deshmukh, Shamik,
Govinda.
Govinda and partner. Guys, audience. B. Govinda. Yes. The correct answer is Govinda.
Oh shit!
Oh, an unexpected
Yeah,
lead.
dude. These guys are minds are blown, man. People's minds are blown.
What?
Melting.
What was this dialogue? When was Salman Khan is telling? No, Govinda's telling Salman.
Govinda is telling Salman Khan. This
Yeah.
is at the point where just after he has had the conversation with her dad कि देखो आप अपनी बेटी की शादी करवा रहे हो पर मेरे से होनी चाहिए तो that kind of shit, man. It's
Oh,
after
man.
दुपट्टा तेरा नौ रंग दा. This part comes.
Oh,
Dude, this
वापस
is
देखना पड़ेगा. ये.
interesting trivia for you guys.
हाँ,
You know this partners based on Hitch,
Hitch,
right?
yeah.
And Hitch had
What,
Will,
really?
Will Smith. Will Smith.
Yeah.
And this had Govinda. Both have slapped people in public and been caught on camera. Just throwing that out there for you
Yeah.
guys. Thank you, thank you. I just thought of that. Thank you.
Wow, dude. Wow,
Yeah,
nice.
appreciate
Also,
it.
hasn't Salman Khan also?
I'm sure he has slapped
Yeah.
people, but
He's
But
slapped
not
every
on
other day,
camera.
every other day.
no, it's
Every
not
other day.
called slapping when it's with a vehicle.
Slapped with a way.
Slapped with an SUV is not really a
तू
slap.
संभाल के रहो. तू ये भी बैंड्रा में ही रहता है, ठीक है? अगर किसी ने देख लिया और वो
Please
भी
काट दे भाई.
वो भी हिल रोड पे, very close
Next to Galaxy apartment.
very close to American Express Bakery.
बोली address बोले वो. Say it.
Exact location. just the line.
American Express
Location
Bakery.
pin will be in the comments, guys. You can go to Shamik's house.
गाड़ी लेके जाना.
Yeah. All
मैं
right.
घर में black buck रख
Next
लेता
one,
हूँ.
starting with Shamik. Starting with Shamik.
Oh shit.
Yes, that was 5
I
points.
got points only for that.
Shamik and the audience. And
Okay.
Dudu
Oh,
gets
sorry, they
a
also.
big 0.
Oh man.
Next one, starting with Shamik.
Yeah.
मैं तो समझता था कि दुनिया में मुझसे बड़ा कमीना और कोई नहीं है, लेकिन तुमने ऐन मौके पर ऐसा कमीनापन दिखाया कि हम तुम्हारे कमीनेपन के गुलाम हो गए. Is it A. Amrish Puri? This is an Amrish Puri
Wow.
dialogue. Okay? It's an
Amrish
Puri
universe.
dialogue. Is it Amrish Puri in Badshah, Amrish Puri in Nayak, Amrish Puri in Mr. India, or in Karan Arjun?
Oh God.
I'll read again. मैं तो समझता था कि दुनिया में मुझसे बड़ा कमीना और कोई नहीं है, लेकिन तुमने ऐन मौके पर ऐसा कमीनापन दिखाया कि हम तुम्हारे कमीनेपन के गुलाम बन गए.
Nice.
और हो गए whatever.
I think it's DD.
अरे मेरा है भाई. Oh sorry, you said you're doing a joke.
Who's
I'm
this saying
sorry.
this to, dude?
I
Saying
took
this to Kajol.
I think it's Indiana Jones and the Temple of Doom. उसमें भी था.
Again, great film, man. I love that film. by the way.
Is that the second part?
Yeah.
That's the third.
Second part.
Temple of Doom is third, I think.
Second. Third
Someone
is
look this up. Someone just look
the
this up.
final
Second. Someone okay.
crusade.
I'm
or
being corrected.
something.
You're right. Yes. Second.
Okay, it's my so
Hold on.
of these movies I remember Karan Arjun pretty well.
Okay.
I should be able to eliminate that. If I'm wrong, then I'm sorry.
Okay.
I'm sorry to Rakesh Roshan. Amrish Puri, Badshah. Amrish Puri, Nayak. Fuck. Could it be Nayak?
इन्हें का गुलाम हो गए हैं.
Okay, it's Gulam. Mogambo will never be Gulam, so that's not Mr. India.
Oh, why you think Nayak mein he'll be Gulam?
Oh, good point.
Badshah mein he's gonna be Gulam.
In Mr. India, he was trying to make people his gulam actually.
Yeah, that's true. Nayak to for sure.
I'll go with Badshah.
Going with Badshah. All right. Amrish Puri in Badshah. Dudu.
I'll go with Nayak.
Going with Nayak. All right. Audience. Ashwin. Audience. Okay, so two people are going, audience and Dudu have gone with Nayak and Shamik has gone with Badshah, right?
Yeah.
The correct answer, all of you are wrong. The correct answer is Karan Arjun.
Oh man.
And I've not written the answer, but it's there. It's there. It's there, guys. Relax, it happens.
-5 to Antariksh.
Yeah.
I'm a one-man army. Oh, I understood why it's not there.
It's a video.
So see, Amrish Puri is all these amazing things he's done.
Yeah.
There's a little known movie called Karma Amrish Puri was the villain in. This is, I think, late 80s, like 87 or something, this movie. And this part of this movie, where Amrish Puri, you'll see, he's playing a Chinese dude named Dong. That's his name. Okay? His name is Dong. And it's a Chinese dude playing the sitar.
Oh,
Makes no
God.
sense. So humor me in watching this.
Oh my
we'll get to
God.
it.
Holy shit. Oh man.
He has a tattoo on his head, you'll see, when they cut to it. That's it, guys.
Oh my God. A dragon? Is that a dragon?
That's
The
probably
guy with the dragon tattoo.
He's saying Shom, 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 Shom.
Ravi Shankar killed himself after this.
This was our revenge for 62.
For what? 62?
Oh shit. Military persons in the house. Just
Sean?
it's 10 more seconds, it's getting over in, guys,
It's-
because you have to see what happens.
Oh, God.
His fingers are bleeding. Sitar, he's spoiling that person's sitar is fucked. And now, it's cutting. Okay.
Huh?
Oh shit, dude!
Dude, he missed the head so clearly.
Yeah,
Did you see that? He was just
But
swung
what
it
was he
from here.
supposed to do?
Sorry, I was just like...
उसके उंगली का एक खून गया actually. उसकी उंगली का
That
खून
coon
था.
also, that thickness of the coon that they use, the
that's
fake
true,
coon.
that's
I'm like, this
true.
is
It's
not
definitely
blood.
Fake blood.
Shom,
Alright.
shom, shom.
You really need Anurag Kashyap in these times.
Okay.
Hey, answer आ गया.
No, that's the wrong answer for different. It happens sometimes. It's all me, guys. So sometimes
Okay.
I forget to change the answer slide. and all.
More and more incompetence is being
It
revealed.
happens, guys. Yeah, अकेले कितनी चीजें करो यार. Enjoy the episode, hopefully, you guys.
ठीक है.
ठीक है.
Now
This
hit
was
to me.
starting to do.
Yeah.
हारने का डर और जीतने की उम्मीद, इन दोनों के बीच जो एक टेंशन वाला वक्त होता है, कमाल का होता है. Is it A. Imran Hashmi in Jannat, B. Pankaj Tripathi in 83, C. John Abraham in Taxi number 911, or D. Sushant Singh Rajput in MS Dhoni, The Untold Story?
Oh man. I'm confused between A and C.
All right. Jannat and Taxi. Okay.
Okay, I'll go with Jannat.
Okay, Jannat. Imran Hashmi in Jannat. A.
I'm
Shamek?
also going with that.
You're also going with Imran Hashmi in Jannat. Guys?
It's A.
All right.
सब जन्नत बोल रहे हैं.
Everyone saying Jannat and everyone is right.
Yes.
Whoa.
Yes. बच
Very
गया.
cool. Very
Good
cool.
job, guys.
मैं बच गया.
If you guys, these are bear
I
slides.
think you forgot, but this was अगर मैं ये गलत होता तो मुझे तौबा करना पड़ता.
Oh,
बच गया मैं.
Oh shit, बच गए रे Obama.
Oh. What is this?
It's a bear slide.
What?
It's a bear slide.
Oh my god.
I put
Oh
bears
my-
on the slides,
Oh
so I don't
my
go to the
God.
answer slide by mistake. The answer was Imran Hashmi. So everybody gets 5. Fuck yeah, dude. We'll do one more in this for sure. Maybe
Sure.
one more if we have the time. I'll see.
Hmm.
Okay. This one is starting with Shamik.
Yeah.
आपको देखते ही मैं जल बिन मछली, नृत्य बिन बिजली बन जाता हूँ. Is it A. Fardeen Khan and Hey Baby, B. Abhishek Bachchan in Guru, C. SRK in मैं हूं ना, और D. Saif Ali Khan in Love आजकल. Shamik. आपको देखते ही मैं जल बिन मछली और नृत्य बिन बिजली बन जाता हूँ.
Okay. I just can't imagine Saif Ali Khan saying this line.
नृत्य
Hey.
बिन बिजली.
यार आपको देखते ही मैं
Wow.
जल बिन मछली बन जाता हूँ यार.
Wow. Lays
Wow,
cow.
यार. Wow.
Wow.
नृत्य बिन बिजली को तो देखो.
I don't think Saif can say nritya. So I'm gonna go with ऐसा कि मैं हूं ना मैं कब बोलेगा ये? I'm gonna go with Shah Rukh Khan and मैं हूं ना.
शाहरुख खान मैं हूं ना.
I'm also going with Shah Rukh Khan.
मैं हूं
and
ना.
Maimuna.
Guys,
It sounds like something Fardeen Khan would say.
I guess going with
But not real life. You're asking in the movie.
गुरु में तो नहीं है ये डायलॉग. गुरु में.
Who
Yeah,
knows?
you
Who
think-
knows?
Do you think Dhirubhai Ambani said
I mean, yeah. After watching the wedding videos,
After
anything
for
is
sure,
possible.
For sure. So you guys are going A. These guys are going
SRK from
C.
मैं हूं ना.
Yeah.
The correct answer is SRK मैं हूं ना. Both
Yes,
guys right.
yes.
Audience gets it wrong one time. That no.
Boo!
Hey, if
Now
they-
Bollywood movies, they do boo.
if they get it wrong 3 times, do they all do the hook
Yeah,
step?
they should, right?
So they
should.
are at
They
two
should.
wrong. They are at
They
two
should.
wrong.
They're
No,
not-
two consecutive. It has to be 3 consecutively wrong.
The last one they got
Last one they got, yes.
Jannat only.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
okay,
yeah.
okay.
Yeah, they just
But do
followed
this
it.
no. Although Hindi movies, you know, the full extra साथ में
Yeah,
मिल-
yeah, correct.
I have trivia on Saif Ali Khan.
Okay, what?
He got
Trivia
Preeti
or
Zinta-
goss? What do you
no,
want?
trivia. He got
Okay.
Preeti Zinta pregnant twice in 2 movies.
Kya Kehna and
And
Salam Namaste.
yes,
Yes, right? Wow,
yes.
dude.
Worst person for
Think of another
protection
plot,
ad.
He's been typecast.
You know, I'm not even kidding. Salam Namaste and Kya Kehna both are in the questions today. You'll
What?
see. Coming to it. What are the odds you would bring that up? That's crazy, right? Okay.
Like, I think he was the fuckboy before like Ranbir Kapoor took over.
Yeah, he was, and then Saif he married.
Yeah.
So he can't be he doesn't want to be shown as a
Yeah,
fuckboy
then
anymore.
he just went for experimental stuff,
Yeah,
like
correct.
Yeah.
all that.
Like Cocktail.
No.
He's a super fuckboy in Cocktail.
No, you're right
Cocktail
actually.
is pure fuckboy.
Oh, in
Yeah, that's
fact,
true.
even that Janeman something, there was this movie where he has a daughter and it came out. Like, I've not seen the movie.
Abhi
but-
recently I know.
Yeah, even there.
Correct.
But he has also done all of those trippy movies. I forgot.
मैं
Goa
खिलाड़ी तू
Gone.
अनाड़ी.
No, not Goa. After Goa Gone, एकदम एक psychedelic type movie आई थी recent times.
Lal Kaptan.
नहीं, Lal Kaptan is not that. एक 2017-18 टाइम नाम नहीं याद है. Anyway, we can
No
move.
idea.
Like a psychedelic film?
Yeah, like wait, can someone Google it? In the
Okay.
last 5-7
What do they
years.
Google?
Last 5-7 years, Saif Ali Khan filmography, Wikipedia. Go at the end and start
Look at
from
these
Niche.
people. They are
Oh.
googling it. They're like, they better pay me for this.
Do you have a question where Anu Malik ने कितने गाने चुराए हैं?
Let's make that a question.
This is
Let's go.
some
This
weird kind of rigging.
This song, original or taken?
I was saying this to him
Exactly,
too.
dude. What,
This is a good round.
You guys
for
think
him.
alike also,
Yeah,
right?
I told this when you were freshening up.
Oh, okay.
Taking a dump. You know?
Big round.
No, I'll tell you what I was like. Shamik will tell you what I was saying.
What? How would he know?
So funny fact.
Guys, please.
While we got to the change room, whatever, and his hair was wet, so he's
I
like,
was
I have to
completely
dry
sweating.
my hair, and there was the hand dryer. So he's like, I'll put my head under the hand dryer, but it wasn't working without a hand. So I was putting my hand, and he was putting his head below, and I was just like, I was just doing this, and Dureja was moving his head under that. I was like, if anyone walks in now,
Oh, the two of you together are doing Tawba step.
yeah, I was doing it to the hand dryer.
Yeah, that's
Nice.
exactly what happened.
Nice, dude.
It was, yeah, one of the weirdest situations I've been in.
Yes.
All right. Next one, and this will be the last one in this game.
Okay.
Oh, we don't have another one.
Oh,
Again, I
Antriksh
forget,
has
dude.
completely
It happens a
you
lot.
lost today
Back.
for sure.
You have to do so many patchwork
Hey, no,
shots
I'll leave
after
all
this.
this in, dude. You think I care? It's my show.
किसी और एपिसोड का पूछ ले चले हमने
नहीं,
पक्का
नहीं।
नहीं देखा है.
Okay, if you can tell me. Okay.
नहीं,
Dil
you can
Garden
know.
Garden ho gaya.
Yeah,
Okay, I've already asked this on a previous episode, but everyone got it wrong.
yeah,
Okay. Dil Garden Garden ho gaya
हाँ,
is a Gulshan Grover dialogue.
yeah.
But from which film?
International खिलाड़ी.
Well done. Full points for Dudu already. Wow.
खिलाड़ी,
Hey,
खिलाड़ी, international
Are you actually don't
खिलाड़ी.
give points for this?
Hey, give hey, come on.
Why
dude.
the
See,
fuck?
he got it so readily, I'll give him 1 point.
One
Just for the sake of
point.
it.
Okay, one
But
Give 1
who
point.
got it wrong? What were the other answers?
Oh, there was a Mr. and Mrs. Khiladi.
Yeah.
There was.
That's what, all the
for the other
Khiladis.
options. All other Gulshan Grover.
You know,
Hey,
in-
Kabira speaking. In,
what Hera Fairy also they said.
It was an option. People
Okay.
must have got it. Yeah.
But that was a very stereotype breaking film because he had women bodyguards who could do
Oh.
Yeah, he
martial arts.
did. You're right.
Yeah.
You're
Muammar
right.
Gaddafi.
That's like Armor of God with Jackie Chan. If you guys are Jackie Chan fan.
Yeah,
Nobody?
big fan.
Gaddafi also
One
had.
person.
no?
Yeah, a real life person had, guys.
Gaddafi.
Gaddafi had.
Gaddafi did have. You're
Yeah.
right. Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
That's true.
Which
And-
country?
And North
Libya.
Korea also, no?
Libya,
North Korea में anything is possible.
North Korea. No Bollywood-based show has brought up
North
North
Korea
Korea two
these days.
times.
Yeah. North Korea is breaking all stereotypes.
Seriously, dude.
Today. All right. The
Versus.
next game is one of my favorite games. It's called Versus Versus. How
Okay.
this works is I will read out as a piece of poetry
Oh, God.
Oh,
the lyrics.
man, the worst game.
My
The
least
lyrics-
favorite game.
Wow, yeah,
personally.
same. Oh,
the
shit.
lyrics of the second verse of a very popular mainstream song.
Cool.
You have to buzz in. This is a buzzer round. Whoever buzzes in first gets to go first.
Okay.
And you have to tell me what the answer is.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
If you get it right, you get it right. If you don't get it right, the other person gets to also take a stab at it.
Okay.
If neither of you get it right, I will give you guys a hint. There's a hint round.
Okay.
If after the hint also you guys don't get it, I will throw it to the audience.
Okay.
Cool.
Okay.
This
Done.
is the worst round and it's getting intense.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Okay.
All right. Keep your buzzers at the ready
Okay.
again. All right. The first one is Again, this is gonna be very simple. I start easy, so be ready with the buzzers. 100 लफड़े देखे मैंने, तेरा लफड़ा हटके है.
जोश अपन बोला तू मेरी लैला.
Of course. Well done, bro. Very well done. Full 5.
My
Full 5.
PTSD is
You know,
coming back.
as a child, I thought that movie had a Vasco da Gama
It
angle,
is.
but
That's a different Vasco da Gama.
yeah, but it was a
It's
random Vasco.
Yeah,
Alberto Vasco or something,
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
Something
yeah,
like that. It was.
As a child, I was like Vasco da Gama के बारे में बात
Dude, I thought in the movie Shahrukh is related to that Vasco da Gama.
Yeah,
he's the son.
Vasco.
No, son
He's a
or
son.
grandchild.
Yeah,
Son.
वही तो था ना
Wow,
कि वो
that makes
पूरा
no
Yeah,
sense
it
age
was
wise.
like,
Like, what?
no, some side chick type scene.
Sharad, what's his name?
The actor.
Sharad.
The other actor.
Yeah,
Kapoor.
yeah.
Sharad Kapoor.
Sharad Kapoor.
Yeah.
His name is.
Sharad Kapoor.
Finding the name right now.
Yeah, Sharad
Sharad
Kapoor.
Kapoor.
Yeah,
I think
he
Kapoor.
was trying to
Sharad
sell
Kapoor.
that land, which
Bichu
actually
gang.
belonged to
Shah
Shah
Rukh.
Rukh Khan's father.
But that's all of Vasco then, no? He's trying to sell land in
Yeah,
Vasco.
In Vasco.
Any
Yeah,
amount of
but
land in Vasco is Shah Rukh Khan owns.
Yeah, but
But
they
that
didn't
one
know उनका बाप
property.
कौन है ना.
Oh, हाँ, they didn't know.
Yeah, वही तो फिर वो जाते. And the best thing is वो बोलते हैं कि हम लोग जा रहे हैं like Seolim, you know, and like bus लेके एकदम दूर like,
Yeah,
and then you know Goa now, and
Yeah,
you're like
yeah,
oh
like
shit, इनके
थोड़ा
लिए
गलत.
ये दो अलग गांव है proper.
Does it
नहीं
make
गलत नहीं, it was actually.
Does it make sense to anyone that Aishwarya Rai got patofied by
Chandrachud
Chandrachud
Singh?
Singh? dude?
Gave hopes to an entire generation.
Yeah. Lot of.
That's how Abhishek Bachchan got in there. Hey, all right, let's go, guys. All right, next question.
Yeah.
Keep your buzzers ready.
Yes.
Okay. Again, this might be simplish, so buzzers ready. Okay. जब ये बूढ़े हो जाएंगे, खांस खांस के रह जाएंगे, कंधे पर कोई हाथ ना होगा, हमदम कोई साथ ना होगा, ठोकर खाएंगे ओए शावा, फिर पछताएंगे ओए शावा, तब याद इन्हें आएंगे हम.
Oh, okay. Is it that? I'll just take a guess. That कंधों से कदम.
नहीं.
कंधों
नहीं
से
song
कंधों
is
से
not-
मिलते हैं कंधे नहीं, not at all.
नहीं,
उसमें कहाँ बूढ़े वो वॉर पे जा रहे हैं.
I mean, this is like they're saying like they'll remember what we did for them later
Yeah.
on. I'm just taking
Okay,
a guess.
okay,
I don't know.
good
But you
guess,
know,
but no.
now you can't guess. till-
Yeah.
Okay, thank God.
Can you? I don't know what this. I have zero
Please,
idea.
I'm trying to get to a situation where I
I
can't
don't have to
guess.
guess at all.
That full song, that movie also peak 5179 if that's a question.
That's not.
और
This
6
guy.
बजने में अब से 2 मिनट बाकी है. I know.
Which movie is that?
Laksh.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hard
Okay.
drive full है भाई.
Wow,
yeah.
this guy, dude.
Can you repeat?
He's really been looking up these Bollywood references.
No, it's
Last night
like
you stayed
there
up all
was,
night, huh?
there was a phase of like there was channel, I think like Z Cinema was the first and Filmy was the last.
CVO, did you ever watch
CVO was also
Yeah,
there.
CVO
बीच
was
बीच में ये सब चैनल स्टार गोल्ड
Yeah, correct.
एंड तो वो
Setmax and all
6
that,
हाँ
yeah.
वो 6 चैनल
Yeah.
बैक टू बैक में देखता था कि
हाँ.
किधर ऐड आ रही है.
हाँ, तो
Wow.
exactly,
तो अलग
dude.
देखना फिर.
And ads used to last like half an hour and all, dude.
Yeah.
Fucking
Z
horrible.
Cinema ads were the biggest,
Yeah, the
longest.
longest,
Yeah, they stretch a movie all day, so you
Yeah.
don't
That's
have to
true,
go
that's
out.
true.
Yeah.
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 Can you
what
repeat it
yeah,
again?
repeat it. जब ये Shamik is already done guessing. Dudu. जब ये बूढ़े हो जाएंगे, खांस खांस के रह जाएंगे, कंधे पर कोई हाथ ना होगा, हमदम कोई साथ ना होगा, ठोकर खाएंगे ओए शावा, फिर पछताएंगे ओए शावा, तब याद इन्हें आएंगे हम.
Oh man.
There are no negative points. You can just absolutely take a stab at it.
Shawa Shawa.
Yeah, that's a good.
I know it's
Shawa,
not that,
Shawa.
but
Just sneaking in a shawa in the
yeah.
verse also.
Or wait, is it?
नहीं, हो गया तेरा.
Okay,
You
okay,
can't,
done,
you
done.
can't.
Okay, done.
Okay, so now
I
I
know
will
that's
half
not-
sing
Okay.
each of these lines for half the points. Okay, so half singing for half the points.
Oh God.
Let's go.
Fair.
जब ये बूढ़े हो जाएंगे, खांस खांस के रह जाएंगे, कंधे पर कोई हाथ ना होगा, हमदम कोई साथ ना होगा, ठोकर खाएंगे ओए शावा, फिर पछताएंगे ओए शावा, तब याद इन्हें आएंगे हम.
ए मेरे दिल. No.
You said it so confidently. I was like, I thought you
got
started
it,
doing
dude?
this. Also.
Because that was just खाली हाथ आए थे हम. I just went with the flow.
No, yeah.
He was like, hey, then he's like, I'm getting everyone to sing.
Okay. So now you got
I don't know this song.
Okay, I can still guess.
Yeah.
yeah.
Sing again.
I'll sing it
bro.
again.
Can you sing the second half now?
You'll put it together.
Yeah, in my head.
No, I can't. जब ये बूढ़े हो जाएंगे, खांस खांस के रह जाएंगे, कंधे पर कोई हाथ ना होगा, हमदम कोई साथ ना होगा, ठोकर ठोकर खाएंगे ओए शावा, फिर पछताएंगे ओए शावा, तब याद इन्हें आएंगे हम.
Wait.
Nobody's gotten it.
किसी को नहीं, ये बहुत टफ है. तूने इजी कैसे बोला था ये?
Bro,
किसके लिए easy
मेरे लिए
है
तो
ये?
easy है. I have the answer in front of me.
It's like
I have no idea. I'll say
Okay.
it's दीवाने लड़के को.
नहीं, not really.
Just because that's a song that came to my head.
At least you're close in tone of the song.
Yeah.
But you're not.
You sang it like that song.
I think I was also pretty close.
All right.
Audience.
Any answer, guys? None.
Congrats.
This
7 people in
question.
the audience.
That's
Not
a great
one
review
guessed
of your question, Antriksh.
Yeah. You have to do a step now. Do
Yeah.
Tauba Tauba for just what you've just fucking made all of us go through.
Okay. But that's a good thing if people don't get the answer, guys.
Tell us.
Okay. I'll tell you, in this song, there's Rani Mukherjee who's singing this.
Hum tum.
That's the movie, yes. So what song would it be?
Ye gore gore
Yes, that's
se
the song,
chore-
yes.
Oh.
Nice.
So I'll give you 1 point. Okay, 1 point.
Oh,
for you.
wow.
अरे
एक एक तो
dude,
मिले जा
एक- एक-
रहा है.
दो
points
guess
दे रहा है,
करो.
dude.
मैंने ऐसे गेस किया because Rani Mukherjee was that was her like her song. Like,
Yeah.
Correct. Yeah.
Yeah,
Fair.
This
so
one. And लड़के क्यों न जाने क्यों लड़कों सी नहीं
हाँ, but that's like a duet, no? Still,
It
like
is, yes,
इसमें भी लड़का I think आता है गोरे गोरे से छोरे में.
नहीं,
नहीं
I
आता
don't
ना.
think,
It's like her song only. I remember that. Like it's
Yeah.
iconic.
Great.
Yes.
Cool. That's that's 1 point for Dudu. All right.
That's a stretch.
Next,
that
guys.
it's happening.
Next,
भी
we are
मिल गया.
going retro, guys.
Okay.
थोड़ा retro जा रहे हैं अपन
Finally.
लोग.
हम तुम wasn't retro enough.
No, it wasn't. It wasn't retro at all.
Okay.
This song, I'll tell you the year even because I know that won't help you at all. So I'll tell you what year it came out in. Okay. Okay, that's wrong. Okay, 1974.
ये इसको ही पूछ लो भाई.
So the thing is, this is
yes.
these songs, these retro songs
शोले
are
के
so
एक
popular.
साल पहले.
Yeah, you're right. Yes,
Okay.
1975.
Ah,
These
so
songs are so popular
Yeah.
that we still listen to them till this day.
Yeah.
And I'm sure a lot of us in the room even like these songs. And
Okay.
You've definitely heard these songs
Got it.
Okay.
over your life multiple times even. Okay.
Heard it. I've lost
So-
all confidence. Go for it.
Give me lyricist.
I understood exactly what's going to happen.
Yeah.
That I'm going to go like this when he reveals. I've seen the future. When
Yeah.
you reveal the answer, I'll be like,
ये तो आ रहा है यार.
Did you know हम तुम वाला this song?
No.
No.
You don't know गोरे गोरे से छोरे गोरे
I
गोरे
know
से-
that name of
Okay.
that song.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, yeah.
But
Name
you
the
don't know.
name of
I
the
don't
song.
know that fucking Rani Mukherjee was the main star of that song.
I mean, वो she's singing at that wedding
Yeah,
or
yeah.
something.
I
Her own
figured of
Sagai or
her
something.
and Saif, she would be singing Ye Gore Gore Se Chhore. That I figured.
I mean, don't stereotype, okay? Like, don't judge
Wait, what
anybody.
is
How do you think
gay
Saif
movie,
is
dude?
singing about himself? Ye Gore Gore Se.
You never
हाँ.
know.
Yeah, no, man.
Wow.
All right.
Okay.
The lyrics of this retro song का second verse are
Yes.
as follows. Keep your buzzers ready.
Yes.
जाने मन जाने जिगर होता मैं शायर अगर कहता गजल तेरी अदाओं पर मैंने ये कहा तो मुझसे खफा वो जाने हयात हो गई.
Grand Hayat हो
They
गई?
know already.
ग्रैंड हयात नहीं, जाने हयात
I
हो
see
गई.
confidence in
Okay,
the audience.
I'll repeat the lines.
हाँ.
जाने मन जाने जिगर होता मैं शायर अगर कहता गजल तेरी अदाओं पर मैंने ये कहा तो मुझसे खफा वो जाने हयात हो गई.
मतलब हमें गेस तो करना ही पड़ेगा कुछ तो.
I mean you can, yeah.
I
It's
तो
advised.
मतलब मेरे को पुराने सिर्फ गाने पता है, मुझे कोई मूवी नहीं पता लाइक कौन
Okay.
से मूवी में कौन सा गाना
Okay,
है.
okay.
I'll go with one very random answer. I know it's not that, but दिलबर मेरे कब तक मुझे.
नहीं, not that.
Okay,
yes.
no.
Show me anything.
Is it Levitating by Dua Lipa?
Oh, you got it, bro. How did you
No,
get
it's,
it? Who would have thought?
I have no idea. I'll just guess चुरा लिया है तुमने.
चुरा लिया तुमने. That's
मेरा वो सेकंड गेस वही होने वाला है.
It's a safe bet.
all right. So now half for half.
Half.
All right. Oh, जाने मन जान. Okay, sorry. I got the tune totally wrong.
Wait,
Okay,
let me get
again.
Shazam open.
Okay. जाने मन जाने जिगर होता मैं शायर अगर कहता गजल तेरी अदाओं पर मैंने ये कहा तो मुझसे खफा वो जाने हयात हो गई. Come on.
Okay, I'll buzz.
Come on. हाँ.
Is it Gum hai kisi?
नहीं यार. No man. Great song though, but no, not that.
मेरे को भी नहीं पता ये.
Oh, come on, bro. Okay, I'll try again. Do for one last time.
I think it is Avicii. It's an electronic song. Okay, please do it again.
जाने मन जाने जिगर होता मैं शायर अगर कहता गजल तेरी अदाओं पर मैंने ये कहा तो मुझसे खफा वो जाने हयात हो गई.
मैं शायर तो नहीं.
यार fuck no man.
Is it the
Shit.
Grand Hayat
Okay.
theme song? Last में Hayat बोला है
हयात
तो.
ही है.
Let's
वही.
throw
हयात
it to
chemist.
Let's throw it to the audience. एक
अरे
अजनबी
भाई इन लोग 2 घंटे से बैठे हैं
हसीना
यार.
से
यू
मुलाकात.
मुलाकात. ओ मैंने वहाँ तक पहुँच ही नहीं पाया हूँ मैं वो गाने में.
It's the starting of the song.
Yeah?
That's how the song
Oh
starts.
shit.
So he's right. वहाँ तक पहुँचने का. That's
Like
another
if
way
you-
of saying, long way of saying I have not heard this song. Starting तक नहीं पहुँचा.
मुझे लगा कुछ लता मंगेशकर, किशोर कुमार. Who is the singer of this song?
किशोर
Kish-
किशोर
Kishore,
होगा.
dude. Yeah.
But वो आता नहीं है टॉप 10 में जब भी मैं चलाता हूँ YouTube पे.
उसके कुछ 20,000
Depends on who's listening to that top 10,
Ah,
who made
fair.
that playlist. What the
Yeah.
fuck?
Stranger playlist में top है ये किशोर कुमार.
Okay, chalo, next one. Lyrics of
Shamik, 3 consecutive.
Shamik
No,
has
how? Let's go. How is it 3 consecutive?
Josh.
Josh.
Nice. Ashish is keeping track, man. Very cool.
Fuck man.
Yeah, so okay.
Ashish
chalo, take it.
मेरा तौबा
आशीष को
तौबा
-5.
तौबा
Let's just get that out of the way.
ठीक है dude.
Let's
What
do your
are
tawba
they-
tawba step.
I can't do that main step. I have no idea.
Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it.
मेरे को तो
Let's
पता
try
भी
it.
नहीं कैसे क्या करना है.
Okay. हुस्न तेरा तौबा 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 टुरुरुरुरुरुरु. हुस्न तेरा तौबा तौबा. Okay.
What was the first?
Thank you so much. The lowest point of my
Wow,
career so far.
That first step was like John Cena at the Ambani wedding, doing Bhangra.
I hope you can't see me.
Oh my God! क्या
Shamik was
देखना
hoping
पड़ा.
that we couldn't see him do that.
He's moving to Bombay, John Cena. Starting
What?
his own political party. John Cena. Sorry guys. Forgive me.
All right, next one. This is a very wordy second verse.
Okay.
Okay, very wordy. But the song is again super mainstream. This is back to not retro. This is more our lifetimes.
Yeah, a millennial retro,
Yeah.
not boomer retro.
Sure. All right, let's
Yes.
go. Buzzers are ready again. Okay. माफिया से माफी नहीं मांगा करते, किलों पे दिल नहीं टांगा करते. ग्लोबल वार्मिंग. गुड बॉयज दारू इसमें वेस्ट नहीं करते. सुन ले डार्लिंग पूरी मुर्गी खाते हैं हम टेस्ट नहीं करते. इनफ इज इनफ कुत्ते से भी टफ.
फिक्स कर लेंगे होके बेशरम होके फिक्स अरे दिस इज मोनिका ओमाइट नहीं उड़ता पंजाब टाइटल ट्रैक.
Yes. Very cool. Very cool.
Nice,
Wow.
nice one.
उड़ता
बहुत
पंजाब
सही,
टाइटल
dude.
ट्रैक है.
Five,
Urda
full five.
Punjab.
Yeah.
You guys knew this, right? मैं ऐसे
Oh,
कान में
is the rap part.
This is the rap
Yeah.
part, yeah.
माफिया
से माफी नहीं
This
मांगा
is the
करते.
Andar da Kutta Ajkadi, that song, right?
Huh?
Urda Punjab.
Yeah, that one.
Yeah, the
This is
title
that
track,
when
yeah.
Vishal Dadlani sings this, no? ये
Yeah,
rap.
yeah,
yeah.
What a
He starts the
song,
rap
bro.
with
Great song.
Correct.
Great
माफिया
song.
से माफी नहीं
मांगा करते किलो पे दिल नहीं
Fuck,
मांगा
dude, I
करते.
never pay
ग्लोबल
attention only, man.
वार्मिंग गुड बॉयज दारू इसमें वेस्ट नहीं करते. सुनने डार्लिंग
Shit.
पूरी मुर्गी खाते हैं वेस्ट नहीं करते. इनफ इज इनफ कुत्ते से भी टफ.
टफ लाइफ हो जाओ तो मारो 10 पफ.
मैच फिक्स लगेगा तो पिच को देंगे.
ओके बेशरम. या देन यू
correct.
गाइस नो.
Yeah.
या ये गाने भी मैंने सारे सुने हुए हैं.
अच्छा हाँ it's yeah the tune changes.
पंती अपने
Yeah,
को तो सूट
मैं instrumental version सुनता हूँ.
गबरू.
Sorry, I missed the lyrics.
हिप
looks like-
हिप से शूट करते क्या ड्रग्स ये
नहीं,
हेरोइन.
ऐसे बंदूकें है ना.
ओ अच्छा वो वाली. मेरे को लगा यहाँ पे वो गुजारा है लाइक हेरोइन. पंजाब में कुछ भी हो सकता है.
पर वो भी हो सकता है ना.
हाँ.
Like
कर तो
it's
सकते ही है.
metaphor for that.
या
Yeah, okay. So you know
It's
it'll
so
be
weird, like
Shamik's hip and you'll be the one snorting because teamwork.
भाई, इसके
व्हाट द
साथ हो
फक
गया
इज
है.
हैपनिंग.
Already ये हो गया हमारा blow dryer वाला. इससे ऊपर नहीं जाएंगे.
All right. Next, we'll do two quick more in this and then move on to the next game. Buzzers at the ready. This is again very popular and I'm sure you guys will know this one also. जानती दुनिया सारी हुस्न का मैं पुजारी मेरी अदा तो जुदा है हर लड़की मुझ पे फिदा है, मस्तियाँ मस्तियाँ हर तरफ शोखियाँ, मैं आवारा मैं शहदाई, थोड़ा थोड़ा मैं हर जाई, इतना तो बता इसमें बुराई है क्या?
That's my most favorite song of all time.
What is the song?
Just love me. Because
just
I
I
think
still don't know this song.
मैं अकेला. No entry, bro. First song on no
Oh,
entry.
no entry.
Salman's
for me
entry.
this song is
I don't know
kinda-
anything about this movie.
Oh, no entry, bro.
नहीं
His
देखा
entry song in this movie, and like I feel like ये गाना like सलमान ने ही गाया है, like you know. I feel-
It's for him. Who else?
मैं अकेला मेरी शहर तरफ
Is it Anu Malik singing?
हसीनों क्या सोनू निगम मेला
Yeah, Sonu Nigam. अरे
Jesus Christ.
I think it's Sonu Nigam. Y'all can
I
check.
never heard this song, and after this performance,
You've never
I
seen No
will
Entry?
never hear it also.
कभी देखा नहीं नो एंट्री?
नहीं देखा No Entry.
No entry ये गाना तो मैं
Great,
हमेशा
great
गाता हूँ, like
Bro,
मेरा
great
favorite
movie,
song
man. I
है.
love this movie.
और उसमें एक ये भी है very like you know racism के against उसने अच्छा उसमें बोला है गोरियां
कालियां हर तरफ
मैं, yeah, he's like I'm sleazy with everyone regardless of color.
Isn't he done that in Garam Chai Ki Pyali also? I think he's very
Yeah, Gori ho
pro
ya
anti
yeah,
racist.
yeah.
Chai
Gori ho
gori
ya
ho ya
kali
kali
ho.
ho. He didn't say brown. No, he didn't say. Sorry, boss. That's full 5 again for Dudu. All right. Last one.
Fuck, I hate this round. Can we move on?
Last
Yeah.
one. Absolute last one. Okay. Again, so Shamik, you could well get this.
My buzzer is broken, dude.
The thing is when I know the song मेरे को कान बंद करना पड़ रहा है because you're like
Okay.
confusing us.
Okay, that's part of the game, man.
Okay.
Yeah, it's by
Please
design.
confuse him. Because I'm confused to begin with.
All right, cool. Buzzers, are they ready? चिकने चिकने बदन से तेरे सर चुनरी सरके ऐसे
चुनरी चुनरी.
Yo, bro! Come on, Sham, you could have gotten that, dude. You could have gotten that,
I
dude.
would never.
What the fuck?
I don't process lyrics, I just realize the way you guys do. I don't even listen, I just hear the music.
Can you sing the tune of this though?
Yeah,
Chunari, Chunari,
Yeah,
that one?
it's-
That one.
चिकने चिकने बदन से तेरे सर चुनरी सरके
yeah.
ऐसा लगे कि बिन बादल अंबर भी अंदर पे बिजली कड़के
Yeah.
चुनरी
बर्फी कर रहे हैं
चुनरी
Last time I sucked at this game. I don't know what's happening today.
No, you last time also you got many.
No, but he had
कुछ
to
ना
give
मैं
us all
बोलूं
clues.
तुझको
हाँ.
मेरी
Okay.
कसम
Are we done with this round?
Yes, we
Because
are
I-
done with this
Fuck.
game.
I can do this for a while now.
God, I hate it so much.
Sorry?
Hat-trick again.
Arey bhai, it's only if you say a wrong answer, right? I didn't say.
No, you didn't say an answer.
That also counts.
Yeah,
Yeah.
of course. What do you think, dude?
Now you have to do Toba Toba Kailash Kher version dance.
What is, dude? What? I've done it, guys. Just throw that footage there again in this. You just do it in post.
Now you have to do Crazy for the Ritik one.
I'll just do it sitting down.
Let's see.
Really.
Let's see. Let's ask the audience to give us a punishment. That'll be, I think, interesting. Let's see if you guys can come up with a punishment. I have one
Please.
ready if you guys want. But what do you guys think?
Go for
Anything?
it, guys.
It has to. It just has to be Bollywood themed. It can
जीने
be,
के है 4 दिन with रुमाल. Okay, नहीं.
okay, yeah, that's a
easy.
great one.
I
That's a
have
great
no
one.
idea what this step is.
जीने
अरे-
के 4 दिन, bro. The towel set.
भाई
Towel
हर
one.
हर संगीत पार्टी पे 12 बजे
In how many ways
दारू
do
पीने
I-
के बाद सारे
How to
ऑलरेडी
communicate
पसीने
to you
वाले
guys?
रुमाल निकलते हैं.
How to communicate to you guys कि मुझे कुछ पता नहीं है बॉलीवुड के बारे में.
यार नेक्स्ट टाइम कोई टक्कर वाला लाना प्लीज.
Oh wow! Look at this.
अंतरिक्ष टक्कर वाला.
Cocky. He's getting cocky now.
Okay.
First round में हराया मैं तेरे को. Just याद
Let's think of, okay, nobody's thinking of punishment. But I think that's the जीने के 4 दिन is a good one. But ठीक है. Let's do it.
We'll do it later. I just get into the competition. Right?
Only
No,
the
wait,
third
wait,
time.
wait. There has to be a punishment.
ठीक है,
Rules
tell
are
me,
rules.
tell me your punishment.
Okay, you have to. Okay, let's do.
रैप.
Do you know the Aja Soniye step?
No.
What is Aja Soni?
Dil mangda, dil
No.
mangda.
No.
You don't know that step? What step do
This
you
is
know?
Perfect.
That's from
dude.
which movie?
I'm so well
That's from,
prepared for this
मुझसे- मुझसे
punishment.
शादी
I know
करोगी.
nothing.
मुझसे शादी करोगी.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll do 10 बहाने का dance step.
Okay,
Oh,
do das
yes,
mahane,
ठीक
but
है.
Yeah.
but you have to sing ABCDEFGHI the song.
While
Okay,
doing
singing
it.
that. Huh?
While doing it.
While doing
Oh
the
shit.
das mahane step. Yeah, okay, but it'll be more fun if you stand up and do it.
Yeah.
But it's fine. I'll leave it
यार
open to
छोड़ दो
you.
यार मुझे भी खराब लग रहा है
But,
अब इसके लिए.
You guys sing ABC.
Okay. Oh.
Okay.
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 चलो
चल.
ठीक है. A B C D E F G H I J K L M LOPQRST.
इससे ज्यादा नहीं पता है भाई.
भाई मेरे को तो ये भी नहीं याद. मेरे
Everybody
को
say hey na, hey
Oh, I
na.
got this. I forgot to do
Everybody
this.
put your hands up in
मेरे को
the
कोई
air.
स्टेप याद नहीं रहता है. मुझे बस अक्षय कुमार गेंदा फूल याद है. That's all.
अभिषेक बच्चन.
Sorry, what did I say?
अक्षय कुमार.
Akshay Kumar.
-5. Just for the heck of it.
Abhishek, yes. Sorry.
चल भाई एक easy वाला दे
That's your
भाई.
turn.
His Motorola era.
Yeah.
Can we do one Hollywood round just for me?
Uh,
No, I'm kidding. Can continue.
Okay.
Just let's move on from.
Next, move on to the next
Can you
game.
not sing for the next 1 hour? That's all I'm asking.
No more singing. I promise. I promise. Okay. The next song. Sorry. The next
Oh,
game.
fuck. I'll just keep dancing. How about that? I'll just keep dancing, and you guys do the quiz. I'll just keep doing steps. Fucking the back.
The next game, guys. The next game.
Yeah.
Shit, my mouse fell asleep. We've been on this slide for so long.
What? Another bear.
Another
Okay.
bear.
Nice.
Okay. The next
Have
game.
you watched that bear movie, Cocaine wala?
Cocaine Bear. I've heard
Cocaine
it's really
Bear,
good.
yeah.
Elizabeth Banks directed it, but I've not seen it.
It's
It's
pretty
really good?
fun. Yeah, if you like Kill, like you would
Oh,
love
okay.
it. Yeah,
Okay,
because
cool.
it's like a bear on cocaine,
That's
so you
true.
can imagine what's going to happen.
I do like cocaine also. Well, I like it then. No, I don't.
Wow.
Joking. Cut that out. My
Man.
mom is gonna watch this, dude.
Mom.
Mom, I love cocaine.
See how like we are not scared of the NCB,
Yeah.
but our mothers first. Like
My mom is gonna watch this. Is that code for NCB?
So funny. The name game, guys.
the original NCB mothers.
आर्यन खान की मम्मी होती ना वो कभी नहीं पकड़ा जाता वैसा. Alright. The name game. How this game works is I will name a popular actor or actress, and you have to give me movies or songs of that actor or actress depending upon the question.
Okay.
If the question is give me movies of Amitabh Bachchan,
Yeah.
then starting with Shamik will say Bagban, one
Yeah.
movie. Then Dudu will say Dawn, one
Yeah.
more movie. And then the audience will say one movie. And then that's the circle.
Until someone doesn't.
Second question will start with Dudu, then go on to Shamik, and then the audience, and then that's the circle.
Okay, so it's a movie or a song.
Depending on the question.
Acha,
If
okay.
So
the
when
question
does it
asks for
stop?
song,
We keep saying until
until one person runs out.
Okay.
Whoever
Okay.
runs out does not
Okay.
get points. The other two people end up getting points.
Okay.
How many points do they get?
5.
Okay.
वो गिनना
so
जरूरी नहीं है. I
there's
think.
a-
Oh wow.
there is a regular part.
This
a
guy
regular-
thinks he won't get even one wrong. You watch. You watch. Now the pressure is on you. Dude. You watch. I have nothing to lose. I have proved that I know nothing.
This is a test match day 3.
Yeah, it's like
the deciding day.
तू कीनिया के against खेल रहा है, and you're expected to
Sure.
win.
Sure. All right.
Stat
so
padding
for
कर रहा हूँ
5
मैं.
points.
Before I play against Devanshi.
Devanshi will be the
Yeah.
tournament of champions.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Starting with Shamik,
Yes.
give me movies of Imran Khan.
जाने तू या जाने ना.
Absolutely.
एक मैं और एक तू.
Absolutely.
Yes, lucky.
Yes, lucky. Yes.
What?
Luck. Yes. That's the cards on, right?
Delhi Belly.
That is great. Yes.
मेरे ब्रदर की दुल्हन.
Is
Yeah,
that it?
correct. He's Fawad is there. Katrina. No, who's the other guy? Katrina. Imran.
Ali Zafar, I think. Am I right?
Ali
Yeah.
Zafar.
Oh,
Okay. Cool. ठीक है. बोलो. Next.
That's audience.
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 I hate love stories.
Oh,
I
shit.
love stories. Yes,
वही बोलना था
absolutely.
मुझे.
Okay, here we go. क्या है और क्या मूवी किया है उसने?
उसने कम ही किए हैं.
हाँ.
तो-
We are almost at the end of his filmography, right? Tell us when the filmography ends.
I know one, I think.
Fuck.
Sorry, which one did you guys say? I love story. Okay.
Hate love story.
I think I know two.
Okay, Shamik. You have 30 seconds each time. You're done with about say 10.
नाच में रानी नाच नहीं है इसके लिए. Just ये इसको वापस डांस करना पड़े.
अरे
मेरे को दो पता
यार.
है.
No, I have no idea. I give up.
मैं बोल दूं?
बोला.
एक मैं और एक तू हो गया?
एक में और तो नहीं हुआ.
नहीं हुआ. और वो वाली.
नहीं.
ओके ब्रेक.
एक में तो हो
ओके
गया.
ब्रेक के बाद.
ब्रेक के बाद yes. Also, did you guys have another one?
गोरी तेरे प्यार में.
कोई तेरे प्यार में is great.
What's it called?
गोरी तेरे प्यार में.
This is a movie.
कट्टी वट्टी.
ये तो मैंने भी नहीं देखी
Katti
है.
Batti, what the?
Yeah, was the last one. Yeah.
Man, this guy knows his
I
last
think-
one.
Yeah, because famously that's the movie he did with Kangana, and then he was like, "Fuck this shit, I'm out of the movie industry."
Oh, that's the last one.
Katti हो गया.
Katti हो
उसका
गया.
movie. Yeah, I got it.
Katti with Bollywood.
So that's 5 for the audience and Dudu
Perfect.
and nothing. Okay, now starting with Dudu,
Okay.
and then moving on to Shamik and then the audience. So Dudu first. Sing me songs of Akshay Kumar.
हम है सीधे साधे अक्षय
हम है
अक्षय.
सीधे साधे अक्षय अक्षय. Again, that's खिलाड़ी और खिलाड़ी बात.
Yeah.
Undertaker.
मैडम माया.
Yeah, Rekha.
मैडम माया.
Rekha's
लड्डू
giving
तुम्हारी
Undertaker
काया.
order, huh?
हाँ?
Rekha's giving Undertaker order.
Yeah.
Sing is king, sing is
Sing
king,
is
sing is
king,
king.
sing is
अबे
king.
जाने.
Yeah. Yeah, welcome song. Yeah.
Okay. Inshallah. Welcome again.
Allah, Allahu Allah, Insha Allah.
Cool. टिप टिप बरसा पानी.
तेरी ओर.
Oh man.
Nice.
Sing is bling.
Is that a song?
Yeah,
Should be,
it
yeah. Is it?
भाई उसने गाया
It
तो
is-
नहीं गाना.
there is a song, right?
Wait,
Sing is bling.
Didn't you say you have to sing it, Antriksh?
I mean, you could just
Read
say
it. Can you
also.
make it hard for him, you fucking idiot? Make it hard for him. You said sing me songs and he just
Sing
said
is bling is not a song.
Okay.
My
So
other-
I'll
No,
do
it's
another
over.
one.
My,
No.
no, at the end.
I have one more.
That's 30 seconds every time. I'm
But he said the wrong answer.
so that's fine. This is a different game, man.
Oh, you can say the wrong answer.
In this one, you can say the wrong one and then correct
I feel
yourself.
like
as
this
long
is
as you do
match
it within
fixing
30
alright,
seconds. So you have 10.
Okay,
quickly.
this कहने को साथ अपने
Namaste,
एक
Raman.
दुनिया.
Yeah. He's not in this song.
But he's in the movie.
Yeah, but he's not in this song. That's
Okay,
not an Akshay
okay.
song.
So next, na? Then I lose.
You're done. Yeah,
Okay.
you lose. Yeah. Okay, cool. 5 points for Shamik and the audience. Did you have
How
one
can
on?
this guy
I
has
had
done-
one.
Which one?
This one.
Two cheese buddy hai, mast mast
No,
by the
no,
way.
that's there.
Also all
this
Hey
one.
Baby songs.
This
Hey,
one, dude.
baby.
Hare Ram, Hare Ram. Hare
Man, how am I
Krishna,
forgetting
Hare
Akshay
Ram.
Kumar songs? Like it's so
Yeah.
sad.
So many other.
And
Yeah.
I took the
Poor
most
guy
op-
has done
op-
4 movies a year
Yeah,
for the last
seriously.
25 years.
Just sing
And this
any
guy,
song.
dude.
No, this Namaste London has also like some other songs, na? Which is a famous one.
Chakarna, chakarna,
Also,
chakarna.
मुझसे शादी करोगी.
वो हो गया
Dang,
ना?
dang, 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 dang,
नहीं
हो गया?
गाना थोड़ा ना.
Oh
गाना
shit, yaar. Okay, that was really bad
Nice,
of
nice.
me.
Yeah.
चल
So
ठीक है.
because Dudu was so confident, should we give Shamik extra points, guys?
Hey,
Yeah, always.
guys, why?
Yes,
1 point.
The
man.
public has spoken.
This is not a democratic fucking game.
Let's give Shamik 2 extra
What?
points.
Thank you. It's
no,
fair.
just 2 extra points.
Dude,
so
तूने
that
random
those,
trivia
those
दिया है, तेरे
one
को
that
points
Dudu
मिले.
got, at least those are equalized. Okay.
What
Thank
the
you
hell?
so much. I love you guys. You're the
Man.
best audience.
It's whose line was it anyway? The points don't matter.
I agree. India needs a dictator, man. Come on. This is horrible. This is horrible.
Ashwin is suggesting cut.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. What if the current government takes Dudu's words to heart?
I think it's fair. भाई तू कुछ भी ट्रिविया दिया और तेरे को बोनस मिला है 2 बार कि मैं इस गाने सुनते सुनते रस ना पीता था. And he gave you 1 point for that. Okay, and it's only fair.
नहीं यार, come on, man.
चल,
अंतरिक्ष.
Cool.
Let's
So
go.
that was the regular part of the
मैंने
name game.
कोई
Now,
trivia नहीं दिया.
Okay.
now
Okay. हाँ.
that was the regular part of the name game.
हाँ.
Now there's an advanced part
Oh,
for
shit.
10 points. So starting with Shamik again. So this is like scenario based. You see what I mean?
Okay, got it.
Sing me songs about dreaming or thinking. So like soch, socha, khwab, you know?
Oh wait, the lyrics have to be about
Yeah,
it. Or
the lyrics
the
have to
visuals
mention.
Are that.
No. The lyrics have to mention dreaming or thinking.
Oh God. Again, lyrics. Fucking hate lyrics. Soch. Okay.
Yeah. Come on.
उड़े
Oh,
नीले
shit.
आसमां में ख्वाबों के परिंदे.
मेरा वही था. मेरा वही था.
I just saw ZNMD just yesterday.
Oh
Awesome.
shit, मैं
Awesome.
वही literally मेरे
Epic.
दिमाग में
I love
first
it.
song वही था.
Lovely movie.
But okay then, सपने में मिलती है.
सपने में मिलती है
Nice.
कुड़ी मेरी सपने में मिलती है ख्वाबों में जो
Oh, nice.
आए।
Can you all take like 30 seconds and then answer?
Chill guys, relax. Start. Anything?
Wait.
10 seconds definitely done. 20 seconds left. Okay, Shamik is still thinking, guys.
तू टाइमर चालू रख. ये बहुत
Yeah,
unfair हो
don't
रहा
worry,
है.
don't worry.
30 seconds तो अभी
Yeah,
होगा
20
ना?
seconds done.
Yeah, 10 seconds है अभी.
Oh, he's
I
just
just
gonna
wanna
waste it.
I just want to relax for 10
Why you want to give to do more of a chance?
This 30 seconds feels like you're planking. It feels
yeah,
long.
It does, yeah. But ठीक है, चलो, you're
No, I have
done.
no idea.
You're done.
Yeah.
There's also सोचा है ये तुमने क्या
Then
कभी
even सपना टूटा है तो दिल
Wow, Dudu,
कभी
man, nice.
even ख्वाब देखे झूठे
Nice.
मूठे.
पत्तियां
Yeah,
जलाए
there are too
जैसे
many. I think और भी होगी. सोचा सोचने पे.
Just let's go on. He's trying to
Okay,
get a
yes.
bonus point.
Bonus
मत
ही bonus
देना,
ही
मत
मेरा भी
देना.
बनता है
नहीं,
अभी
नहीं,
यार.
नहीं,
Okay,
नहीं,
you
नहीं,
got
नहीं.
But मुझे
bro.
10 मिला ना?
But yeah, you got
Oh,
10.
you got 10,
nice.
dude.
10.
Yeah.
Wow, what
Please
a-
take note, scorers.
What a thing. What a thing.
EVM is not hacked.
Next game is scene song dialogue. This is a game I'm playing after a while.
Okay.
So fucking love this game. Okay.
Yeah.
How?
Points 0, 10, 10 or only 5?
Oh yeah. 10. The audience also gets. Yeah. 0, 10, 10. Correct.
इनको क्या मिलने वाला है जीत के यहाँ हार के
Yeah,
Street
they
cred.
get the
Yeah.
satisfaction of beating one of you guys
Oh.
if possible.
oh
That's
so they
happened.
can win the poster
That's not happened yet. But if it does, yeah,
It's
absolutely, the audience
hilarious
can.
if you Photoshop all of them.
सात
in that.
मुंडी एक साथ घुसने की कोशिश
Guys, send me your pictures after this. All right. How this game works
Yeah.
is I have these cards in front of me. All right. On each of these cards are the names of 3 films.
Okay.
I will name the first film. You have the option of either describing a scene or reciting a song
Yeah.
or quoting a dialogue from that film.
okay
Okay.
Okay. Say तुमने पहली मूवी में scene बोल दिया.
Yeah.
For the next movie that I name from that card, you can only do a song or a dialogue, the both of you.
Okay.
Okay. अगर किसी एक ने scene eliminate कर दिया तो दोनों के लिए scene eliminate हो गया for that card.
got it, got
And
it,
it
got it.
resets after every 3 films it resets.
we got it गाने के साथ डांस भी करना है we know the variation welcome again guys
Insane.
One more point for Dudu.
अरे यार मैं कौन से
तेरे को
मूवी का
मिले
डायलॉग
साथ।
चीन को लगा
So cool. All right. The first movie that I want either a scene or a song or a dialogue
and
from.
it's Buzz
Buzzer,
Okay,
yes.
okay.
Good question. Okay, so you guys can answer only after these guys can't answer. All right. So, buzzers, are they ready? Give me a scene or a song or a dialogue from the movie Sultan. Yes.
Sultan the title track I'll sing the खून में तेरे मिट्टी मिट्टी में तेरा खून
Great song,
ऊपर
yes.
अल्लाह नीचे
Great,
something
great. Nice.
something तेरा
That's-
something
That's 5 for Dudu.
Yeah.
5 for Dudu. Okay. This
Okay.
is a
because
very
I have
high-scoring
not
game,
watched
huh?
the movie I've just
It is
heard
very-
it at
very-
the gym like while doing step ups खून में तेरे मिट्टी best for CrossFit
And then
exercises
when you're dancing, it's baby ko base pasand hai. That's
oh that's from the same movie right oh yeah oh,
This they play this song in your gym.
the cheapest gym I've ever been to वहाँ पे यही सब बचता था
Okay.
now they play Ben Bomber
What's that?
वो some वो
I have no idea.
वो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक टाइप
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
जो 1 घंटा चलता है वो पूरा
Okay, it's like a set.
yeah set
Oh, they've fucking promoted themselves to sets and all. dude.
Yeah, yeah.
Fucking FKJ and all.
जितना महंगा जिम फिर उतना pretense बढ़ता है कल
They have a
मेटालिका
live DJ playing while you're fucking working out. Okay,
So
next
I have
one.
to do a scene
Now,
or a
no dialogue.
no, whatever. Both of you again can buzz in. You have a song or a dialogue from the movie Hello Brother.
Oh.
Song or dialogue from Hello Brother. Quick.
Why
short.
song he
is
did.
over.
A song he did. Scene or dialogue. Sorry. Scene or dialogue from Hello Brother.
I fucking don't know. shit.
हेलो ब्रदर ओ सीन पुंगी बचाता है वो like that's a
Wow,
scene
that's a lot in
through
the
the movie
Correct. Shami,
he
you not seen
dies
Hello Brother?
also
I've seen. I think I don't remember.
end वाले scene में when I think Salman Khan says bye also like because he's dead right
Yeah, he's already dead in
and
the middle. Yeah.
Arbaz is there right isn't it?
Arbaz has his heart in him.
Heart yeah. So and at the end last scene I think गोली लगती है but then he saves Arbaz or something I don't know
Yeah,
ऐसे
correct.
कुछ होता है
Yeah,
मुझे
correct,
इतना ही
yeah.
याद है
Does he
and of course how can you forget the scene Ninja Chacha
Dude, fucking,
does
what's his
this,
name? That guy,
Razak Khan
Razak Khan, yeah.
Yes.
Fuck, love that guy, dude.
Pappu Kangi
Johnny Lever is there.
Yeah.
He's carrying like rice or something in like a thing.
Yeah.
Like in a potli. And then like Johnny Lever tries to snatch it from him. This guy like fucking goes insane.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
so cool.
You guys know Ninja Chacha? Oh, man.
Have you guys seen Hello Brother ever? No, never.
For once,
इश्क से क्या जीना
for once, the
आशिकी।
audience and I are on the same board.
कहाँ से लाई ऑडियंस भाई
And then no, we're all like, look at these two losers talking about
तेरी
some
मेरी
rice
यारी
scene
से।
in this fucking movie.
Also, Hata
Live a life,
Sa
guys.
Wan Ki
Jesus.
Ghata.
Yeah, and there's a holy song also.
Yeah.
होली नहीं मटकी दही हंडी song और होली.
I don't think Salman
Yeah,
also
Chandi
remembers
ki raat par
this about these
It's
movies.
a dahi handi song.
Even
or,
I
Arbaz
think it's
won't
a Dahi Handi
remember
song.
this, and he has nothing to do, and he won't remember these things. You guys are fucking crazy.
Okay, so
I
Sultan
have
is
only
done.
disdain for you all right now.
Sultan is done. Hello
hai.
Brother is done. Both are Salman films. The third one is also a Salman film.
Dialogue now.
Yeah, now give me a dialogue from the movie Hum Aapke Hain Kaun, guys.
हम आपके हैं कौन?
Come on, this is simple.
A dialogue. Yeah, okay, when the dog goes, ow, ow. Technically correct. I think I deserve points for that. Look at the reactions. They speak for themselves.
Yeah.
It's in the screenplay.
Give Shamik 1 point. Not
One?
You know, I
That's
would.
the full points. It's a dialogue. We don't know what
It's
the dog
not.
said.
You think the dog did it by choice?
Yeah, it
He
was like
told
they
to-
said dog
Bark.
rap on dog after he said that line.
I have a dialogue. मोनीश बेल की शादी बहन से करा दो because
But that's not a dialogue.
that's not a dialogue.
Yeah.
Okay, that's
You
the
know,
premise of the movie.
an acceptable dialogue would have been Hum Aapke Hain Kaun.
हम oh.
Fuck off.
वो भी था ना एक they had like one catchphrase between each other like excuse me or something.
क्या
no?
रे?
मैंने
Vidash.
yeah okay no or you can be like वो सीढ़ी से गिर गई है.
That scene.
That's not a
But she's like,
dialogue.
ouch.
but
That's the
but it could be a
dialogue.
dialogue also, right?
Yeah.
Or it could be the
I
one
know
where
nothing.
that guy has to go to his gaon.
Yeah.
The Lakshmikant, his name is, I think the actor.
The actor, yeah. He has to
Yeah.
go to his gaon and then he comes back and she's dead.
Dead, yeah.
And she's like, Arey, bhabhi?
भाभी मर गई.
And, yeah.
भाभी से शादी कराओ.
I don't think if someone at my house dies, I don't think my house help is gonna be that.
because you're not sanskari enough, okay? Your family is.
No,
do-
Alok
Is that
Nath in
the
this
only
house.
unrealistic scene in the movie?
Yeah. Dude, dogs stop weddings all the time.
Yeah, that's true.
All right, cool. That was no points.
कोई
What?
dialogue
Hey, hey,
बताओ
hey.
तुम लोग बताओ
Shamik-
कोई dialogue.
No. Give actually give Shamik. That was a very good answer. So let's give
Yeah.
him. Let's give him 4 points. 5
What?
would be unfair.
Yeah, fair,
5
fair.
would be unfair because it's not actually a dialogue, but that was a great answer.
Yeah, dude,
So,
it's a
going my
this is a comedy show, guys.
yeah. It's a comedy
But audience
Bollywood
को
game show
पूछो कुछ.
podcast. huh?
इधर Algo के लिए अच्छा है, dude. This is where they'll rewind and watch again. Dude, I gave you
Correct.
that
This is a
moment.
peak moment.
Yeah,
Reel cut करेंगे
और
इसके.
जब
Yeah,
तुम
correct.
तुम दोनों हेलो ब्रदर के सीन्स बात कर रहे हो,
Oh, cut
that's
that
the
out.
most forwarded moment हुआ आएगा. Audience retention lowest point.
नहीं इसके फैंस इतने कट्टर बॉलीवुड
That is
फैन
also true. वो भी देखा
वो तेरे
मैंने.
को ही गाली देने
हाँ,
वाले
मुझे बहुत hate
इनको
आने
नहीं
वाला
पता
है.
तो बुलाए काय को
Fucking if they
इनको.
don't know, why do
That
they
is
bring?
true. That's gonna
You
happen.
losers.
प्लीज शामिक को गाली दो उसके स्टैंड अप पे जाके गाली दे दो.
दे दिया चलेगा
But
मेरा.
view तो देखो यार, view तो देना पड़ेगा.
Just give me comments. I don't give a fuck.
GFBR गाली फॉर बेटर ही.
Appreciate it.
GFBR
Anything
is
for the algorithm.
Hilarious, dude. All right.
Okay.
Next card.
Yes.
Shamik, this you might know. These are Akshay Kumar films on this card.
अच्छा अभी वापस सीन सॉन्ग.
Yeah, scenes on dialogue. Now it's a reset.
अच्छा.
Okay.
ठीक है.
So we'll do at least 3 cards in this and then go on to the next game. But I
Two
have
more
already.
cards, you mean?
2 more
Yeah,
cards.
okay.
Okay. So ठीक है. These are Akshay Kumar films. The 3 of these. The first one is give me a scene or a song or a dialogue from the movie Kambakt Ishq.
सॉन्ग. क्या प्यार किया कम वक्त इश्क मैंने समथिंग समथिंग
कम
बेबो मैं बेबो दिल मेरा ले
Nice.
लो.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We recently talked about. You guys recently talked about Kambakt Ishq
Yeah.
on a recent episode.
Yeah.
Yeah, what the hell? Yeah.
Can I give a
Sylvester
dialogue
Stallone.
of this? No, not of this movie now.
But now if you know,
दे
you
दे
know.
ऐसे ही तूने देखे
No, I won't get points.
You won't get points,
Yeah.
but you can just
Then
say
I
it.
won't
बट
get.
बट बता
Why should I give?
मैंने देखी
I
नहीं.
don't give my dialogues for free.
दे इसको 1 point दे दे बट डायलॉग.
Javed Jafri says I am the #1 suer in the world because he sues Kareena for putting the watch inside. Yeah.
और तूने हेलो ब्रदर को गाली दी है. तुझे कमबख्त इश्क पता है.
Arey, my dad
Again, low
made
retention
us-
point area
My
of
dad
the
made us go
episode.
to the cinema hall to watch this movie, and after this movie, he said no more Akshay Kumar movies.
And
We
you
banned
can't become a
Akshay Kumar.
doctor.
Yeah.
That's also
कमेंट्स में पहले बताओ हेलो ब्रदर और टीम हेलो ब्रदर
Hello
और टीम
Brother.
कमबख्त इश्क.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
तुम लोग बताओ.
No, obviously, even
These
I'll say
guys
Hello
are
Brother.
Kambakt Ishq. They haven't seen Hello Brother, bro.
Man.
Dude, Sylvester Stallone is in Kambakt.
हाँ तो क्या हो गया भाई.
Why? It's a crossover film, dude.
कुछ
Bro,
नहीं है उससे.
but,
वो बोलने नहीं होता
But
उसको.
Salman Khan and Arbaz Khan are there in Hello Brother.
That is true.
Yeah. Well,
Salman Khan is.
And Razak
Sylvester
Khan.
Stallone versus Razak Khan who will win,
Yeah,
guys.
Razak Khan
Oh,
any
wow.
day.
Any day.
Yeah.
Okay. The next one, Kamak Tik Ishq Ho Gaya. You guys did song.
Song.
It's all Akshay Kumar.
Yeah, this one, this
Scene or
card is Akshay
dialogue?
Kumar.
Huh.
Now, scene or dialogue from the movie Bhagam Bhag.
Oh fuck.
Scene or dialogue.
Dialogue.
Huh.
Germany.
Germany. I would have also accepted Bender gayi,
Bender gayi. When they go to Germany.
Yeah,
Dude,
yeah.
actually, I want to watch that movie again. It was a fun movie.
Great fun
Yeah.
movie. Also, another acceptable dialogue would have been
Didi dar gayi, not Behen. Didi dar.
Behan, I think it's
Hey,
Behan.
minus 5. Minus 5.
To Antariksh, yes.
Oh, to him.
What are
Another dialogue.
Yeah, as long as you finish lower than me, because you have 2 minus 5s.
That's the
You're
good
not
answer.
allowed to get
good
plus,
answer.
only minus.
Bhag Bhag mein is also Govinda bashes into like a pole and he says, "ये pole देखा तुम लोग को?" Like, हाँ, मुझे नहीं देखा. And then that's
Oh,
Okay.
that's a street joke. They acquired
yeah,
it.
of course.
Nice.
All
all these
Priyadarshan
movies that
jokes
street
are
jokes.
correct.
only.
Yeah.
Okay, now what is left?
And the last one, give me a scene from the movie Garam Masala.
Oh, Buzz.
Yes.
Where...
I'm so surprised Shaumik buzzed in.
एक दरवाजा खुलता है और दूसरा दरवाजा बंद होता
Yeah,
है.
But scene.
Yeah,
And that's what, where they're like, where he's hiding his girlfriend,
Yeah,
and like,
correct.
because he's got the 2 women
Two
at the
women,
same
different
time, and he's
rooms.
pushing him,
Correct.
them into one
Isn't
room.
that the whole movie?
No,
Like,
no,
No,
like
that's
a
one scene.
specific
That's one
scene.
particular
Yeah,
scene.
yeah.
Also,
Paresh Rawal is a cook in that movie.
yeah,
right?
he is.
Yeah,
And he
yeah,
keeps
yeah.
throwing away fucking made food.
Yeah.
It hurts you, dude.
Is Garam Masala also copied?
Yeah, it's based on a film.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's based on a foreign
Priyadarshan
film.
doesn't usually copy.
No, it's
So he
based on a
copies.
film.
What are you saying?
It's based on a foreign film. I know that.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
What does he keep throwing in the movie? You were saying?
He throws food, no, like cooked
Oh.
food.
Oh.
Because he says, अच्छा अब ये नहीं अब meatball नहीं अब ये
Yeah.
चाहिए.
Yeah.
He's hilarious in that.
Running gag.
Yeah, running gag.
That's
That's
the
running.
running gag.
Okay, so that's second card done.
यार सीन एंड डायलॉग में मतलब मैं मतलब जैसे बोलूं कि वो गाड़ी में डिसाइड करते हैं जर्मनी
That's-
जाना.
That's scene, bro.
That's the
That's the
scene,
scene,
right?
yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So I'll then
Yeah.
remember.
Now the next one. Okay.
Don't take the actor's name. You know, it should come as a surprise.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
Oh, that's not. I've not been taking the actors.
You
name.
have been. कि अक्षय कुमार की 3 आ रही है अब.
Oh, अच्छा वैसा.
सलमान की 3 आ रही
अब सैफ अली खान की 3 पर.
है. Run the shot.
कहता ज़्यादा तो.
Walu है.
Let's okay. Again, buzzer is ready. Give me a scene or a song or a dialogue from the movie क्या कहना. Here's where क्या कहना comes in.
Song.
Yes.
मिले हम जाए बाहर.
Again, another copied song.
Yeah.
It's
It
copied
is.
song again.
From.
Na, na, na.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, Carol.
Na, na,
Carol.
na, na, na,
Yeah. Oh,
na,
Carol.
na, na, na.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I saw this compilation of Bollywood copied songs.
That was
It was a
every
25
second song.
minute song,
तूने
25 minute
भेजा,
video,
हाँ.
and it says volume 1. There's like some 7 volumes.
There was a time where Anu Malik के Wikipedia page पे
Yeah,
नीचे
yeah.
there was a song copied
And the original?
from but then they removed it. Yeah.
Yeah, because
Oh,
now. Yeah.
Dude, this is the weirdest thing that happened. I
Yeah.
was watching this match before T20 World Cup, New Zealand Australia.
Okay.
ठीक है, they're playing in the New Zealand and scorecard है और पीछे एक गाना बज रहा है which is this जुड़वा का जो background score है ना That's also copied.
What?
Yeah, that is the original in that. वो जब तुम देखोगे वो मेरे को पता नहीं original का नाम क्या है.
Oh,
और वो
bro.
New Zealand वाला सब people pointed it out on
Yeah.
X.
That's insane, dude.
Yeah.
Because
Is that Anu
Judwa,
Malik?
you know,
Sorry.
Is that
Anu
Anu
Malik?
Malik?
Yeah.
Judwa
Why
has
is-
also used Crazy Frog as their back BGM. That's
What,
what
Judwa?
Like a much more slow down version
That's
of it.
actually the theme.
Oh yeah. Oh shit.
It's Beverly Hills Cop ka
I was
soundtrack
today.
That's it.
I was
Yeah,
today
yeah.
years old
Very perfect.
when I figured.
Okay.
Beverly Hills में भी था.
Cop. That's the original song. Crazy Frog is also
Acha,
based on
okay.
that.
All right.
So what
next
is
one.
done now?
So क्या कहना का your song is done.
हाँ.
Now give me.
I should have given you a nice scene in क्या कहना where they try to go. वो बाइक भगाता है सैफ अली खान
Sure.
और फिर प्रीति जिंटा सामने आ जाती है
हाँ.
वो क्लिफ से जंप मारने के टाइम पे.
That happens.
Also,
Also,
in
क्या
the car,
कहना
in the
the
car.
problem क्या है? Is that in क्या कहना? तो
Sorry?
problem क्या है?
No, that's मुझसे दोस्ती करोगे? Yeah, that's मुझसे दोस्ती करोगे.
Okay.
That's the Hrithik one with Kareena.
हाँ.
Okay. Also, क्या कहना में there's a scene at the end where she has to go on stage because she's being facilitated for something. I forgot what now.
हाँ.
But she
For
has to go on
being
stage.
pregnant.
Congratulations, आप pregnant है, madam.
आप first pregnant इंसान हो college से. You've come first.
Oh yeah, I remember what happens. So basically, just before she goes on stage, they have prepared a whole play the school has
Yeah.
of her whole story of being pregnant, how she fucking
That will
came
help
over
her get
that,
over
how she
that
got dumped by
trauma.
Seth. She has to live through this, dude. What the fuck?
Art imitates life.
Yeah. Normally they in plays in school they're doing like Romeo Juliet. They are like recreating actual life
Based on
in
a
this
true
movie.
story.
Crazy.
Alright.
Okay, so,
So kya kehna is done?
what is done?
Sorry.
Sorry. Song
Song is done. Now scene or a dialogue. Scene or a dialogue from Salam Namaste.
Bus.
Okay. ठीक है.
Salam namaste, right?
Yeah. Scene dialogue. Scene or dialogue.
Dialogue. Darling, what did I tell you about,
the
Indians?
Sorry.
Exactly.
Yeah,
Exactly.
Fucking hai, Shamik. People are
Thank
so
God.
excited when you get an answer.
My dialogues so far have been by Javed Jafri. I only remember Javed Jafri dialogues. This is what I've realized.
Man, if only
Time
the
to do
lyrics
that
were
movie,
खाने का, पीने का. Yeah. Sorry, what?
No, अभी एक टकेशी कासल का पूछा.
Anchor link.
There's a scene also in that movie. I can say the scene.
नहीं, हाँ,
Salam Namaste, where she gets
Yeah.
pregnant. They have great sex.
Yes. Ben and Jerry's ice cream.
When there is ice cream scene.
जब पहली बार सुना था.
Correct. They also there's a scene where she's moving into his house after dating for a while, and that's recorded in a song and all.
Oh,
Which was the song? There's one slow song.
My Dil Goes.
My
हाँ.
dil goes.
He's thinking.
Also,
My
now,
Dil Goes,
is that the movie where he has a Bengali boss and he's like Buzla? Is that movie? He keeps saying
He calls her
Buzla?
Humber, so maybe. Yeah, right?
Something,
No,
I
maybe
don't
South
know.
Indian, I think.
Now what is
I
left?
see.
Now scene is left.
Now scene is left.
From the movie Tara Rampam.
No.
Where the car goes
Car,
really
yeah, car.
fast.
No, where the children eat from the trash can. That was that hurt.
It catch.
And
from
that
the
song
trash
also in the background was very like senti.
Yeah.
Rahi ka na 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 na,
Yes, yes.
chalta hi jaye. Yeah, that
Yeah.
one. Yeah.
Alright. Next one.
He's giving trivia about a movie that's not in your quiz.
No, but there are some things that stay with you, right? Like
that
kachra
scene-
nikal ke, like, it was
right
really-
after the interval. that
So,
scene
you know,
should come.
Hoshang and Govind are on the show. They were the first guests on this
Yeah.
iteration of the show. And Hoshang is his favorite movie of all time is Tara Rampam.
What?
Okay? It's not even kidding, dude. He has seen Tara Rampam in theaters 14 times.
What?
14 times, dude. He like every weekend.
Like
he fucking
ironically, it's his favorite, right?
No.
No,
Dude,
बचपन
legit
में irony
favorite.
किसकी होती है भाई?
yeah, nobody understands the irony. Okay.
Crazy,
So,
dude.
next one.
He was underwhelmed by Drive to Survive. He's like,
Yeah,
this is not
ये तो
good.
देख लिया मैंने.
Okay, guys. Scene.
हाँ.
Scene बचा ना? Scene from the movie दिल चाहता है.
Yes,
Bye,
scene, me.
I said it.
सब
dude.
गोवा जाते हैं.
Bye.
He did.
अच्छा,
He
चल,
did say
ठीक
it.
है.
He did buzz in first.
ठीक है.
I buzzed in, right?
Who buzzed in first,
I
guys?
buzzed in.
चलेगा,
Shamik,
चलेगा,
Shamik was
Shamik.
like, go ahead.
What is it? Scene, right?
Scene, yeah.
Where
मैं बोलता हूँ.
Amir is hiding from that girl in
Yeah.
Goa.
Akash.
Yeah.
What's her
And,
name? What's her name?
And in that scene,
Seema.
Seema.
in that scene, his future
yeah,
wife
Seema.
Kiran Rao is also there. Actually, in
Yeah?
that scene, she's one of the actresses.
She's an AD in
Yeah,
that
yeah,
movie?
She's an
like
AD or she's in the
an extra.
background?
She's in the scene.
Oh, wow.
You can do the scene also on the phone call.
That's how he spotted her.
Yeah, he
Extra.
pointed her out in some interview.
मगर मैं
Or she
लेकिन वो
pointed out.
सुनो तो कब से को मैं आकाश
मैं आकाश
किया
किया.
Yeah.
उसने फोन काट दिया. तुझे क्या लगा था कि तुझे of course समीर yes I love you समीर बोलती.
Sameer.
Yeah. मर्द बन. Yeah. Okay.
Be a man.
Okay, scoring guys. Where do we stand? Ashish.
Even the
So 46, 77.
Okay. Whoa,
Oh.
dude, what a high scoring episode. Shamik's at 46.
That's great.
Oh, that's pretty good.
Dude was
Done.
at 77.
Insane.
Wow, dude. And audience? Audience is at 35.
Oh, yeah, I'm ahead of audience.
yes.
Anything can happen still.
BJP has gained in the south this time. We can see
Abki
it.
par, 40 par.
Shamik Sarkar.
Trying to hold on to silver right now. That's all.
All right. Guys, the next game.
Yes.
And the last one we'll be playing on this
Yeah.
episode is called Bollywood Jasoos.
Okay.
Okay, how this works is I have a movie in my head.
Okay.
Okay, and you guys have a combined 11 questions,
Uh-huh.
11 yes or no questions to determine what the movie is from me. Okay?
Okay.
This is like 21 questions, but 11 instead.
Okay.
Again, you guys are a team till you answer. What that
Okay.
means is discuss what our next question should be because you only have 11 questions.
questions, oh.
But
Okay.
whoever says the final answer, if it's right, gets all the remaining points in the game. I say all remaining points because every more question that you ask me minuses one total point
Okay.
that you can win
Out of
out of 10.
11.
Out of
Okay.
10. So 11
तो
questions,
minus
but 10.
one में भी जाएगा क्या?
Sorry?
11 सवाल
No,
पूछे तो
11
minus
questions. The first question does not have any minus points
Okay.
because
Fair.
अच्छा okay.
अब पहले वाले में माइनस कर दिया था पता चलेगा.
ठीक
Okay,
है.
so 11 questions, 10
हाँ.
points to be won, and then minus 1 point for
So if
every more
either of us feel at one point that we know the answer, we to just say like I know, and then I'll
yeah,
and
just
guess.
say it.
Okay.
Just say it. If it's right, I won't count that as a question, and I'll give you the points.
Okay.
where
If
you
it's
guys
wrong,
were
it
right.
just counts as a question.
It counts as a question.
Okay.
ठीक है?
But ऐसा लग रहा है मतलब वही साथ में पहले आना है और फिर एक दूसरे को हराना
हाँ,
है.
यही
थोड़ा
game
वही
है
तो-
dude.
वही तो है,
यही
वही तो
बनाया
है.
है इसने game.
You have to backstab each other.
Oh, man.
That's what the game is.
Like
guys.
issues.
Joker
And-
in the Dark Knight.
And from question 5 onwards, you can discuss with the audience also.
5 है.
No, there are from question 5 onwards.
Oh.
If you
Oh,
reach
like
question
that.
5,
Okay,
the
okay.
fifth
That's
question.
scary. Question
Uh,
5 onwards, you have to remove one item of clothing for every question.
Let's do that also. Let's do
Strip
that.
jasoos.
Let's do that. Wow, Shamik really wants to do his punishments all the time.
No, this is for the next whoever you bring next, not for me.
All right.
I have humiliated myself enough.
So these are the categories you guys have to choose.
Okay.
Basically, you guys have to choose a category in which
Okay.
you have to guess
Okay.
the movie. These are the 5 categories. The first category is
Oh,
no. These are movies where the hero or the heroine dies.
okay.
The next one is 70 minute. These are sports films.
Okay.
Next category is movies with stand-up comedians. These are movies that have one Indian stand-up comedian or more in it.
In it.
the
Not
movie.
like that Ranveer Singh played that
you have to ask me.
some
you
in some
have to
movie.
ask me as a question. You have to
Befikre.
ask me
You have to ask
Okay,
the
as a question. You have to ask me as a question.
Hmm.
The next category is Are Tu Phir Se? Movies with
Double
double
roles,
roles.
okay.
And the last one is Kitne Aadmi The? These are movies where multiple guys are after one woman's affections.
क्या
Okay,
लेना
wait.
है?
So wait. मतलब अभी you will give us a movie
So
which
no.
will be in the no category.
No.
As a
no,
first, no.
You guys have to choose a category.
choose
Oh, you have to
now,
choose
and then
a
it
category.
starts.
And then, so
Okay.
basically, you're not starting like, from nowhere. You guys have
Okay.
like some starting off point.
Yeah,
some
some
idea.
context.
Point. Okay.
क्या
So-
दीदी
so
था?
Which one do you guys want?
अरे, तू sports देखा है ना सब.
that's what
Stand-up comics भी is an option, but हाँ ठीक है, sports
stand up में problem हुआ है वो एक movie है जिसमें
सब है.
कौन सी
Cool, sports works for
Sports
me.
करते हैं,
You can do
70 minutes.
sports.
Doing
Yeah.
sports. All right.
वहाँ
your
देखना है?
70 minute. Okay. This is a movie which it's a sports film.
Yes. Okay.
This movie was released in the 2000s. I'm giving you some things to start off with.
Yes.
Okay. Released in the 2000s. That is between 2000 and 2010. Released in the 2000s. It is rated 4.7 out of 10 on IMDb. So you know what caliber of film you're thinking of.
Okay.
So you know the era
Yeah.
or the decade. You know what caliber of film. 4.7 on IMDb.
Yeah.
And you know it's a sports film.
I know the answer. I know
You-
the movie,
also, you
but
guys
I
have-
don't know the name of the movie.
Okay.
You know the movie?
I think
But
so.
wait,
But मैं
wait,
rating
wait,
से guess मार रहा हूँ.
wait.
हाँ.
You guys have 5 minutes to ask me 11 questions.
And it's you can only answer yes, no.
I can only answer a yes or no. Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
you want to
should
answer
have been.
sport?
Yeah.
पूछना है?
What is? Yeah,
Is it a cricket?
Is it a
movie?
cricket movie?
It is a cricket film. Yes, that's what.
I know the movie, but I don't remember the name.
Okay.
It's
Then
a-
let me try to guess the movie that he knows.
मैं तेरे को एक्टर भी बता देता हूँ. चल तू guess कर ले.
ठीक है.
हरमन बवेजा. Can I Google?
Yeah, you can.
What?
I
No,
can?
Mad one.
Yeah, I have guessed the movie name for sure. Okay, should that be the second question?
Is
Harman Baweja?
Go for it, dude.
Is Harman Baweja?
Nope.
Oh, cricket movie without Harman Baweja. Lagan.
It in 2000 to 2000.
2010 के बीच में. The 2000s.
2000s में
2000 में
cricket
cricket.
film. Oh, should I guess?
बोला.
Is it Iqbal?
Not Iqbal.
Are you calling it a sports film because it has some
So-
element of sport, or it's based on a?
He can't answer that.
You can ask me that as a question if you want.
So you have to ask it such that he can say yes, no.
हाँ, like is it the? अरे, अभी कैसे पहुँचू ये?
Is cricket
Like a plot
The
point.
main plot or a side subplot?
It's it's a major plot point. Like maybe not the main, because the main plot point is still going to be the love story or what have you, right?
Okay.
It's a big major plot point.
Can I say?
Go
Yes.
for it.
Is it मुझसे शादी करोगी?
Nope.
Oh,
Oh,
what?
nice guess.
But nice guess though. I
Oh
would say,
shit,
yeah.
dude.
Fucking what a movie, dude. Fucking all cricketers at the end.
Everything
Who would have
happens.
thought? Just came out of
Yeah.
nowhere.
Everything
Kapil
happens.
Dev.
That
was a-
movie was like my dream because cricketer आ गए last में. I was like,
Dude, who watches that at night? 12 o'clock at night.
okay, it is not a main.
Okay, it's a plot point, not main plot point.
ए जन्नत भी हो सकती है ना?
Is it in that era? It is, right?
Jannat is before 2010.
Yeah.
How many questions done?
4 questions done.
ठीक है.
Okay,
You go for it, guess.
Is it Jannat?
It's not Jannat. 5 questions
Oh
done.
shit, dude.
Now you can discuss with the audience.
Okay, it's a movie which has cricket as a part, but there is also a love story
तो
around it.
रहता ही है.
Love story तो रहता है यहाँ वो कौन से
Wait,
movie
yeah,
में?
No
exactly.
one watches otherwise in
Also.
India.
Which?
Actors.
Actor names.
Actor name, that's not a bad
But
idea.
Harman Baweja was our first.
अरे because of
What a ridiculous-
4.7 on 10.
अच्छा, you straight go to Harman Baweja.
Yeah.
Oh, this is Harman territory.
Yeah.
Dude, cricket movies.
देख 2000 to 2010 में क्रिकेट मूवीज डिस्कस करते हैं. देख चैन कुली की मैन कुली नहीं है. ठीक है.
You guys have done it 2.5 minutes, by the way. You have
Oh
2.5
yeah, oh
minutes.
time भी है इसमें. हाँ. Oh
Yeah.
shit.
You
Okay.
guys have any ideas for questions?
Okay.
Is it
कोई शाहरुख खान की
Ashish is saying something.
Akshay Kumar had a cricket movie.
मुझसे शादी करोगी? नहीं?
There is another if you.
If you want to ask, is there an Akshay Kumar movie?
Nope.
-1 to you, bro.
Yeah. Okay, wait.
Yeah, he has something.
Is it Shreya's third party?
I already
we
guessed
already
that.
that's not counted. That's
That's not
I
counted.
guess-
Not
I guess that movie.
That's
already.
good. It's all good. It's all good.
Yeah, it's
But
fine,
Iqbal,
fine.
he already
Iqbal,
guessed.
he already said, yeah.
Yeah.
But it's not the main point of the movie, no? It's a
Wait
love
a
story.
minute. Dude, this is
जन्नत
some
भी नहीं है betting वाली.
Like a big part of the film is the cricket part of cricket aspect of it.
Inside Edge नहीं.
TV show. Not a movie.
Bug
Not
out.
in that era.
Inside Edge the movie.
Inside Edge is the movie, yes.
अरे मच्छर.
Yeah.
It's a fly.
जो भी है यार.
Oh, wow,
मक्खी
dude.
मच्छर. हाँ तू बोल. कोई एक्टर और कौन से एक्टर?
Come on, quickly, guys. You guys have literally 1 minute left now.
अक्षय खन्ना की भी कोई मूवी नहीं होगी
1
क्रिकेट
minute
वाली.
left. 1 minute left.
MS धोनी का बाद.
बाद में आएगा MS
Do you guys have
धोनी.
anything? Think you guys. I hope you guys are also thinking. बोला. बोल.
Is it Lagan?
No.
लगान में तो मेन वाज क्रिकेट. द
Yeah,
लव स्टोरी
yeah.
वाज ऑन
No,
द साइड.
Tax is the main. Rain. I mean, maybe you would have
Rain,
thrown it
yeah.
as a.
Okay, as
Oh
a
fuck, we are almost down to
okay,
no
wait.
points.
कोई some Amitabh movie was there with cricket? No.
No.
No. और क्या है? चल.
Audience, say
कुछ
some
सवाल है
questions.
तुम्हारे पास? अच्छा शाहरुख की मूवी भी नहीं लगता है मेरे को.
शाहरुख का कोई
कोई
मूवी
मूवी
था
था
क्या?
क्या क्रिकेट वाला?
क्रिकेट रिलेटेड तो नहीं था.
These are 30 seconds. guys.
सलमान का कोई मूवी था क्रिकेट रिलेटेड?
Is it okay? Was it a commercial hit?
I wouldn't say yes.
ये क्या answer
That's
है
a no.
भाई? ये
That's a
क्या
no.
answer
That's a
है?
no. That's a no. That's a no.
It's an indie movie with cricket.
No, it's not indie.
shit,
It's a mainstream
dude.
film with super mainstream actors.
सुपर मेनस्ट्रीम एक्टर कौन है?
You have
शाहरुख
two
का
more
नहीं
questions.
है. सलमान, सैफ अली खान.
Your time is done,
अक्षय
but I'll let
खन्ना.
you ask 2 quick questions.
अक्षय खन्ना भी मेनस्ट्रीम में आता है. उस टाइम पे
Please
मेनस्ट्रीम
no.
में.
Let's not go to Akshay Khanna.
अक्षय कुमार पूछ लिया ना हमने.
Gavaskar, my father.
2004 CB series.
क्या पूछा था?
Quick.
Is it a biopic?
Nope.
नहीं उस टाइम बायोपिक का नहीं था.
-10.
यार उस टाइम बायोपिक इतना बनता नहीं था.
That's true.
अब भी बायोपिक तो अब भी.
I think you're done, guys.
Okay,
I
done,
think
done.
you're
बता
gonna
दे
get it.
भाई
बता
क्या
दे.
है
Did you
यार.
guys have any guess at
Guesses?
all? Okay, the answer is Dil Bole Hadippa.
Oh, but that is after 2010.
No, it's 2009.
Oh shit,
2009.
yeah.
Yeah.
Dil Bole Hadappa.
Okay.
Who are the other
fair
actors?
Shahid and Rani
Rani
Mukherjee.
Mukherjee, I know.
Yeah, and Shahid Kapoor.
I would never have got.
ठीक है?
Yeah, same.
चलो, next one.
Okay.
No problem. We'll do.
Hey, but can you give me the Harman Baweja movie name? I forgot
Can
the
someone
name.
look this up?
It was a
Someone look this up.
and there
Yeah.
was one more movie with Patiala House.
Patiala House.
was
That's
the
Akshay
cricket,
Kumar
no?
one. That's the one he was telling you to
Oh,
ask.
that's why.
Yeah.
With Rishi
Patiala
Kapoor. Plus
peg
five.
लगा के नाच
What was the
रहा।
Harman Baweja movie name?
Yeah, someone is looking this up.
But Dil Bode Hadippa also.
Victory.
Dil Bode Hadippa also deserves 4.7.
Yeah,
I
for
must
sure,
say.
for sure.
Watched
for sure.
in the theater.
That's also another copy movie, by the way.
Yeah?
She's the Man with Amanda Bynes and Channing Tatum.
Yeah.
What are they playing in that? Any sport?
American football.
Oh yeah, I've seen
Yeah,
that
yeah,
movie.
yeah.
Yeah.
It's a
Oh,
big,
okay.
big
Yeah.
hit movie in Hollywood.
अबे अभी
Let's
क्या
do one more category. We'll do this
Okay.
one.
क्या करना है?
and then we'll
डबल
call it an
रोल्स
episode.
करना
बहुत
है. हीरो हीरोइन डाई.
हीरो या हीरोइन डाई में ये पता नहीं यार कोई आनंद वानंद मेरे को नहीं
नहीं
पता
देगा
भाई.
ये. आनंद नहीं देगा.
आनंद नहीं देगा ना ये.
और डबल रोल्स इज ऑलवेज देयर. और इंडियन स्टैंड अप.
इंडियन स्टैंड अप में पता है कौन से कॉमिक्स ये जॉनी लीवर को भी
वीरदास
स्टैंड अप
लोग
कॉमेडियन
ये
है.
वीरदास
जॉनी
के
लीवर
डाला है.
So you could ask me that as a question.
इसने वीर को डाला
Are you?
है.
Oh, like we have to
Tanmay
ask if you count Johnny Lever.
Yeah, that'll.
जॉनी लीवर इज अ स्टैंड अप कॉमेडियन ऑफ कोर्स
Yeah, yeah.
ओजी.
So basically, yeah.
बट आई एम कंफ्यूज कि अगर ये कि लाइक रजाक खान को ये नहीं डालेगा Okay, ठीक है
चल लेते हैं इनको घर भी जाना
Stand-up
है
comedian
एक
वाले-
पिक करते हैं
अरे ये लेते हैं कितने आदमी थे लेते चल थोड़ा मजा आएगा
मल्टीपल गाइज आर आफ्टर वन वुमेन्स अफेक्शंस
वो लेना है नहीं अच्छा ठीक है
डबल रोल लेते हैं
डबल रोल
इट्स
लेते
अ वेरी
चल।
स्मॉल ग्रुप ऑफ मूवीज
अच्छा चल डबल रोल
एक्चुअली इट्स
मेरे
नॉट
को भी
दैट
यार, मैं
स्मॉल
इतना छोटा तो नहीं
I doing double roll?
I'm saying choosing this was once I got it before the first clue for this
What?
this category.
अच्छा तो मूवीज विद डबल रोल या तो फर्स्ट वाला
ठीक है first one. My movie hero heroine die.
हीरो हीरोइन डाइंग इज हाँ
Yeah, that's the one.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this category is no. That is
Yeah.
movies where the hero or the heroine die.
Yeah.
This movie was also released in the 2000s, between
Okay.
2000 and 2010.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. 7.5 on IMDb.
कल हो ना हो नहीं
That's one question.
Oh shit यार yeah please यार okay
Okay. And it's
7.5 on
possible that
IMDb?
they both die also. That's not count.
That's also possible.
Okay.
At least one of them dies.
Okay, at least one.
So movies where the hero or the heroine die, 2000s and 7.5 on IMDb.
that's it
That's it. So that's starting off point, right? And then you guys ask me whatever.
कौन
you
से
know.
तेरे को याद है
Is it Dil Se?
Not Dil Se.
दिल से 98 है भाई
Sorry.
2000 के बाद हीरो और हीरोइन
Hero or heroine die.
देख दिल चाहता है में भी वो मर जाती है ना आई थिंक बट
I
but-
don't think that
Dimple
counts. There's not a lead protagonist.
फेयर
Um,
ओके
कुछ questions क्या पूछे सोचना थोड़ा. Is
I think narrowing down on actors would be a good bet here. Yeah.
are there actors in this?
ओके
Fuck. Now I regret choosing.
या
this.
ये टफ लग रहा है सडनली डबल रोल कैन वी चेंज अ क्वेश्चन टू डबल रोल एंड यू आस्क अस 7 questions oh 8 questions okay no
I mean,
Okay.
see,
Okay.
we can always cut this bit out and go to another question.
नहीं
Can we
करते
should
भाई
we ask like is it like a art film or like a
हाँ
mainstream?
इट विल बी मेनस्ट्रीम
Mainstream because 7.5 rating है. मिलता है mainstream movie where heroine dies or hero dies.
मिलता है ना क्यों नहीं भाई मेरे को लग रहा है इट्स वर्क द रेस अगेंस्ट टाइम वेयर अमिताभ डाइज बट
But नहीं, that's not a
नहीं
guess.
I'm not guessing I'm not
We're
guessing
just talking.
okay ask actor क्योंकि अमिताभ काफी मरा था 2000
Yeah, is it an Amitabh
और
movie?
2010 के बीच
Is it an Amitabh movie? No.
ओके यार ये तो फिर 6 तो इसमें ऐसे ही निकल जाएंगे वही
dude. We'll get till the audience part and let them
an
ask the
actor the hero or heroine not a like if
Yeah,
question.
correct.
Is the lead.
Yeah.
a lead
The lead.
not like say for example in
Not hero's brother or something. No.
no like I'm saying in Ajnabi like Akshay Kumar is also a lead but he's also the villain
The villain. No. Not
so
that.
वैसा नहीं
No, वैसा
है हीरो ही मर रहा है
Yeah.
ओके मेन स्ट्रीम वाला पूछ ले ईयर पूछ ले क्या बट एक्चुअली एक्टर ये यार 6 सवाल तो इसमें निकल जाएंगे
Year to won't help you. I don't
Yeah.
think. Like, how would you know?
You narrow it down to here. I mean, it might help you. It won't help you. I veto that question. It doesn't do anything for me.
ये वाला सवाल पूछे क्या इज इट अ मल्टी स्टार कास्ट और सिंगल बिकॉज
4 minutes left. Okay.
ठीक है. हाँ. Is it a multi-star cast movie?
Multi-starrer.
He has
Yeah,
some
you could say.
doubts.
You can say yes. Multi-starrer. Yeah, I would say.
अब
Absolutely.
क्या करें?
ओके मेरे पास एक जवाब है
What do we do this
Guess,
situation?
खाकी
No, not Khaki.
oh shit
Khaki is your guess. too.
यार they're
Come
multi
on,
starrer
man.
where someone dies are we close that's not a question are we getting close no
Is that a question?
okay
I would say if you haven't got the answer, you're not close, basically, in this game.
Wow.
okay और सवाल क्या पूछ सकते हैं
Uh,
और क्या पूछ सकते हैं
Genre of the film.
हाँ genre
Well,
पूछ
is the-
genre is a good question
Is it romance? पूछू क्या? Romantic.
अरे नहीं genre ही पूछ अरे नहीं
We
yes no
can't
नहीं
say.
अरे यार हाँ फिर
Can you say? Say na if I
What?
say. What is the genre of the film?
yeah
What
give
is
us
the genre?
genre
Yeah.
The genre is romance only. What else would it be, dude?
कल होना हो गया और
You guys have 3 minutes now.
okay romance
Romance. What does that do? Someone dies.
मेन स्ट्रीम वाला पूछ ले सवाल इज इट मेन स्ट्रीम और इंडी बट रोमांस है तो मेन स्ट्रीम ही होगा मोस्टली
Okay, you guys can also chime in, by the
अच्छा
way,
बता
now.
आमिर खान
You
ए गजनी
That's
गजनी
see. What Archie said.
मेल डाइंग और फीमेल डाइंग या
Yeah, male or female?
Yes or no? Make it a yes or no.
Is
The
it
question.
male dies?
Yes.
ओ तो गजनी नहीं है फिर ओके
Yeah, fair. That's good
Shit.
elimination.
Finally, thank you. Man.
Yes.
Plus
Thank-
one.
Finally, equalize. +11. Just.
आफ्टर मेल डाइज. ओके.
The male dies.
चल एक काम करते हैं, फटाफट एक्टर्स याद रख. अक्षय कुमार कोई पिक्चर में मरा है?
I can't remember him dying.
I can't remember.
सलमान खान अपार्ट फ्रॉम
Salman-
द इश्क थे क्या लेन छल्लो
तेरे
ब्रदर.
नाम में he doesn't die, he just goes.
ही गोज
हाँ.
मैड. या बाल काट देता है बेसिकली.
Yeah.
और ओके, और कोई मूवी में मरा है?
Biopic type?
अरे बायोपिक नहीं था वो टाइम पे भाई. बायोपिक अब भी आया है, रिसेंट टाइम में ही बनाना शुरू किया
क्या
है.
वो real incidents पे नहीं बनाते थे movies.
नहीं, पहले सब छापते थे.
Hmm.
ओके.
Quick guys.
शाहरुख
you guys
खान
have-
died in Dawn. Had
You
died
guys,
in
you guys
Dawn.
have less than 2 minutes.
But it's
No,
romance.
it's
It's romance, so it's
Less
not.
than 2 minutes. You can
Yes,
again
yes, yes.
ask them for help.
Oh yeah, we can. Okay,
Yeah,
guys,
please.
पूछो ना क्या सवाल
Please
पूछे.
help us. Sorry?
Is it one of the
Is it one of the Khans?
Yes.
Oh. यार हमें सवाल पूछना ही नहीं आता.
Yeah. What are you guys doing, dude?
He's
Okay.
like we're ruining his game.
Hey, Saif Ali Khan, I think dies in Qurban.
Go for it.
Qurban?
No.
Oh shit. Okay, then.
out of idea.
तो वही ना सैफ.
Which Khan?
वो बताएगा नहीं ना.
No, but then you guess the
You
Khan.
you
no?
eliminate by asking.
हाँ,
ना?
तो-
क्या शाहरुख करे? Is it Shahrukh Khan?
Yes.
शाहरुख.
Is one of the
Wait. हाँ.
So he's suggesting the question to you guys. Huh?
is one of the words in the title a popular fashion brand?
इंडियन और बाहर का.
International.
इंटरनेशनल कौन सी ऐसी
What is this
Gucci,
movie?
Gucci.
He's not, we can't.
हाँ,
Huh? But what is the movie?
I thought it's. Can I say? it?
Yeah.
I thought maybe it's Veer Zara.
No, not Veer Zara.
Oh, but they don't die. They meet up. नहीं वो आ जाता है वो जेल से वापस. वही तो था पूरा premise
हाँ.
picture. Yash Chopra dies later on. Oh shit. Cut it, guys. My career is over in Bollywood. अच्छा, okay.
Fuck, dude,
Shahrukh Khan
dies.
dying.
At this point, if I hadn't guessed Dil Se, I would have shouted Dil Se.
Quick, guys. You guys are out of time again.
Sorry.
Dawn में एक शाहरुख
हाँ वही डॉन.
बोल दे,
बट
बोल
वो
दे.
रोमांस में बोला ना उसने जॉनर. तो कलोना को ही आ रहा है दिमाग में.
When was Devdas?
देवदास.
Yes.
Oh, you get that point. Crazy.
So audience and Dudu get 2 points.
No, I don't get. Because he said के बोल दे. तो मतलब हम दोनों में मतलब.
Wow, this is great.
Yeah.
See, again, you're a team till you answer.
No, but
अरे
it's
but
literally
यार
she
उसने बोला
answers.
यार
She did
ये
answer.
पॉइंट लेके
And
मतलब.
चलो ठीक है. Fair
Yeah.
enough. Fair
He
enough. So
won
nobody
already.
gets points.
Yeah, they won this. We
These guys
lost
don't
pretty
get.
bad.
Audience can get 2 points.
Yeah.
But okay, very cool.
We'll do one more round if you want. This is too
Guys,
much fun.
There's another question you won't get, dude. There's no point.
यार करे क्या एक एक लास्ट सवाल.
करना है?
redeem
करना है?
Are you guys fine with that?
रिडीम करते हैं अपने आप को अच्छे
Okay,
सवाल.
चलो,
Okay, let's
ठीक है.
ask proper questions. Come on.
देखते हैं.
Okay.
Let's go.
अरे अभी
Let's go. Another
Let's
category.
go with. Uh,
अरे तू फिर से डबल रोल या मूवीज विद स्टैंड अप.
go for it, dude. You choose. I'm fine with that.
नहीं कुछ भी यार मूवीज विद स्टैंड अप कॉमेडियंस.
Yeah, let's go.
चल
Stand-up comedians.
All right,
Okay.
movies with stand-up comedians. This is a movie which has at least one Indian stand-up comic.
Yes.
This movie was again released in the 2000s, 2010 के बीच में. 7.1 out of 10 on IMDb. 7.1 out of 10. So it's supposed to be a good film. Like it's
Okay, देख
counted as a good film.
हिंदी में या लेट्स आस्क दैट.
Is it a Hindi stand-up
stand-up comedian और आर सीन स्टैंड अप मतलब अभी वाला जो
Yeah,
सीन है.
अभी वाला जो scene है.
तो फिर तो एक ही है. दो है. एक तो है लव आजकल
No, no,
और दूसरा है यही नमस्ते लंदन.
Not Namaste London. Namaste London में कौन है?
वीर है.
Namaste
He's
London, हाँ,
asking
वीर है,
that
correct,
question
correct.
वो compatibility
Correct,
and all of
correct,
that.
right,
Yeah.
yeah. I forgot only, yeah.
तो
In the 2000s.
So, huh? 2000s, yes.
2000 to 2010 के बीच.
हाँ, that decade.
Okay. One of the lead roles.
It's a comedian from our like अभी वाला scene like not.
Yeah, you already asked that. Yes.
हाँ,
yes.
okay.
Can I ask that? That is it one of the lead roles?
लीड तो नहीं होगा भाई. कौन से कॉमिक को लीड रोल मिला है अपने सीन में से?
मतलब one of the main roles. Like Delhi Belly में it's, you could say Veer has the
Yeah, but
main
that's
role.
post 2010.
No, I'm just not
हाँ.
using that
Oh,
as an
like that.
example.
Okay, yeah, ask
No,
that.
unless we have a better question.
So I know some people who have been.
7.1.
I've been in a movie during that era.
Maybe
as
it's
an
that.
extra,
I
but
know
nobody
this
knows.
might sound like a dumb question, but should we ask, is it a comedy? Because sometimes they play a role
Play,
in a non-
yeah. Oh, yeah, that's not
Yeah,
bad.
is it a comedy movie?
No.
Yes.
I think it's a
Just
sad
proud
movie.
of my question. I don't care about the answer.
It's a
Not
comic
a
from our
comedy,
scene.
comedy.
So his Can we ask this question? Is that comic an extra kind of a thing?
Yeah. Is the comic an extra?
Yeah, I would say yes.
I
He's
think
an
I
extra.
know.
Is it
I think I
Guzarish? Sappan was there, I think,
No,
in Guzarish, right?
No, he was there in.
Lavaj,
he was there in this thing. Luck by chance.
It is luck by
Luck by
chance.
chance,
Shamik
yeah.
gets it. Wow, yeah.
Yes,
my
luck by
man.
chance. Yeah.
Redemption.
Yeah.
I think we
6
can
points.
share points.
We
on
can
that.
share this one.
Sorry?
no?
School wale scene, you know?
Yeah, correct,
Yeah,
correct,
acting
correct.
school wale.
That's 6
Haan,
points
haan.
for Shamik. All right.
You can give him. He mentioned.
But you
Sapan.
got it.
But
That's the game. It's
Yeah,
actually
actually,
yeah,
you won, dude.
Yeah.
तो
half
चलेगा.
century
You
हो
think
गया
that's going to make a
इसका.
difference in the final score?
That's true. Let me
Half
just take
century
it.
bat दिखा,
Thank you
bat
so
दिखा.
much.
Yeah. Cool, cool. Very cool. Very nice. Very nice.
Thank you guys. Thank
Crazy.
you.
Redemption तो हो गया हमारा.
Is this your longest episode that you've shot?
I think it could well be, man.
Yeah.
It's been going great. All right. Where do we stand?
most one-sided for sure.
It is.
Nahin, I'm sure there's been more ones.
No, there have been plenty. A lot of them are
Bro,
one-sided.
Saurabh Pant
Saurabh
scored
Pant
zero.
zero, yeah.
Saurabh
Yeah.
famous as zero, yes. All right. Audience scores. Again, let's say
This is 37.
37. Audience, yes. Clap yourselves. Very cool.
Good stuff.
Thank you for being here, guys. Very nice. Shamik. 52.
Oh,
Oh,
thank you,
just
thank you.
beyond. Raise your
Not
bat.
out.
Raise a bat.
Not out.
Very cool. And Dudu
ओ एक पॉइंट एक्स्ट्रा कहाँ से मिला मेरे
being
को?
crowned the biggest
Yes.
Bollywood Badshah, the one, the only Siddharth Dudeja.
क्या करना है इसके?
ये देखने के बाद मैं काश हार जाता. क्या है ये?
Acceptance
इसको
speech.
laminate करके रखा अपने
Acceptance
bedroom
speech.
पे.
Acceptance.
Put it on your
speech.
ceiling every night when you wake up in the morning. You see it.
मैं दीवाना हूँ.
I would like to thank my cable guy for this. Cine 9 cable.
What a plug.
In digital, do you have
In digital, yes, I did have in
You have in
digital.
digital?
But before that also, I forgot the cable का name, so I just made it up. But yeah, I'd like
Shemaru.
to thank Shemar.
Wasn't Shemaru
That's
a
a
cable guy?
CD जिसका था, I think.
Shemaru का logo हिलते रहता
I'd like to thank Lawrence, my cable guy.
Bishnoy, the gangster. Wow, dude.
That's why you knew all the Salman movies.
Okay, and yeah, that's it. I'd like to thank him and a very bad childhood.
A lonely childhood.
where my parents never took me to watch any English movies. पहले उन लोग मेरे को एक साल लेके गए हैरी पॉटर दिखाने
वो भी
फर्स्ट
हिंदी में?
वाली
हिंदी
नहीं
में?
नहीं इंग्लिश में
अच्छा, okay.
फिर सेकंड ईयर से उनको रियलाइज ये तो बहुत बार आने वाली है तो उन्होंने बोला ये नहीं देखना जरूरी.
I remember I took my parents to watch
Those
Lord of the
because-
Rings, the first movie, and at the end, my dad was like, "Who's the bloody Lord of the Rings? Tell me now." And I was like, "अरे बाद में पता चलेगा. I'm never coming for a movie with you again." Because at the end, they just say the story continues.
Yeah, that's it.
अच्छा,
two.
part 1.
It's one of the
Fellowship of the Ring
Yeah,
is the first part, right?
Fellowship, yeah.
Yeah,
Counted as one of the greatest trilogies in history, and his
Yes.
dad is like, fuck
Yeah.
this shit, dude.
My dad was bonding with other dads while leaving. Who's the bloody Lord of the Rings? Huh? Huh? And they're all high-fiving each other.
Hey, great joke. Awesome. Good times. Okay.
okay.
How was the experience, Shamik, being back on the show?
Yeah, it is.
And a
I've-
new setup with a live audience and all.
Yeah, it was a lot of. I've gone through a lot in these last couple of hours.
My life has
I have
changed.
danced, sort of danced. I have.
T20 World Cup final
Yeah.
2024.
By the way, I have listened to Antriksh now cumulatively sing like 25 songs over 3 episodes, and I've guessed 0 answers. Not one word you have said has triggered a song right in my head. So I'm gonna go read lyrics for the next time.
Of these songs, so
Call
that
me
they don't
back
have
in
to-
like a few months. I would have read all lyrics. And
Tell इसको 4-5 बता दे अच्छे lyricists बॉलीवुड के.
please
इनके
बता
सुना
दे,
दे.
dude.
Javed Akhtar, Gulzar.
Javed Akhtar, yeah. एक मेरी laundry guy bill or something you would have
Prasoon
said.
Joshi.
dude. Prasoon Joshi, yeah. But I'm going. It was a good experience. I'm glad I scored 50 points. I've never hit 50 before.
Oh, that's cool. Wow,
Thank you so
yeah.
much. Small
Come on.
victory. Thank you. It was your
The
help.
audience is too nice.
Amazing questions.
Yeah.
They helped us with while we were like asking
Ask-
each other
yeah.
questions. Yeah.
Uh,
He fucked it up a bit. Then
yeah,
later
yeah.
He
really
redeemed
is-
himself.
Yeah.
He also had a redemption. It's great. We've been through a lot.
The
Alright.
act 3 in this entire
This whole
quiz.
episode also lasted as long as like a 90s Bollywood movie.
Yeah.
That's exactly
Z
right.
Cinema
with
edition.
the ads.
Yeah.
5 hour long.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Anything to plug before we end this episode?
Yeah, when will this come
This will
out?
come out in about a month.
Okay.
from
तो
now.
अपना podcast तब तक अगर चलेगा.
Yeah, of course
वो
our
चलेगा, वो
podcast.
चलेगा,
क्यों
bro.
नहीं चलेगा? Crickheads
Crickheads.
podcast with both of us.
Yes.
Yeah.
Every week we upload videos and hopefully we will continue if Antriksh works
Yeah.
on time.
Alright.
We'll keep doing it. Unless
Which
this
is-
becomes so big, he says fuck off.
Fuck this shit.
After
I'm
this
out.
episode, it becomes so big.
We fuck up our own careers.
Yeah. We plugged crickets at least like 10 times.
Yeah.
already.
Also, I'll just say plug when you plug kar de whatever you have to plug.
Watch
individually.
Shamik stand up. Follow
Yeah.
them on Instagram. Anything else?
या इंस्टाग्राम 1 महीने बाद लाइफ में क्या होने वाला है मुझे नहीं पता, तो
Okay.
क्रिकेट चलने वाला इतना पता
Yeah,
है.
I'm touring weekends with another comedian, Gautam Govinda, and you can
Yes, sir.
catch us
Yeah.
in different cities. in
He's very
India.
good with Bollywood quiz actually.
Maybe
He's a
Govinda
guy-
should come on.
I think I'll beat him like you beat me. But yeah, we are touring, and please watch our stand up.
Stand up, yes. Follow us on Instagram, follow us on YouTube, and Antariksh, next time give me someone more knowledgeable.
You know what?
Someone
You're
with
my
a
part.
similarly bad childhood. Like
Okay.
Yeah.
The Lord of the Rings देखा ही है भाई, मैं कॉलेज के बाद देखा.
Yeah, and similarly, pair me with someone who sucks.
Yeah.
That's
Okay, fair enough, yeah.
that makes
ये
sense.
इंग्लिश वाली पब्लिक ना यहाँ पे
हाँ,
आ
कुछ
जाती है.
Hollywood based
Questions?
Bollywood.
No, I'm totally gonna include the question of where is this movie copied from?
Yeah, that's a good
original. What is this song copied from?
And you should
That's
also
your-
add one more English people, like white people in Hindi movies, like Sylvester Stallone.
All
Was-
will be comeback dish. All answers.
Wasn't Mike Tyson in Liger? I think he was.
He
in
was.
Yeah.
in that Vijay Deverakonda film. All right, cool. Thank you
Yeah.
guys. Thank you for tuning in. Hope you enjoyed this episode. Hit that
TY.
like button. Subscribe to the channel. This audience is awesome.
Awesome audio.
Yeah, very cool. Yeah. Check out the other shows I'm a part of. Spender Bender with Govind and Hoshang. That Filmy Game Show. You're already watching Filmy Kulwala on the Filmy Kulwala channel. Pop Conversation, that show. And Crickheads. Crickheads is fucking awesome. So thank
Yes,
you so much,
आज ही
guys.
बोल रहा है ये सिर्फ हाँ.
Hey, मैं बोलता हूँ यार. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. Hope you enjoyed this. See you again next week. Bye bye.
Bye
Bye bye.